Who's ready, baby? Who's ready? Alrighty, here we go. Here we go, baby. GameStop. 224. Good morning, Steven. Good morning, Jen. Good morning, Catherine. Go, baby. Yes. Yes. Oh, I woke up. I saw GameStop. I'm like, wait, does that say 238? Guys, I was struggling so hard yesterday to find a spacesuit everywhere. They don't have any adult spacesuits. Like they don't want us to go to the moon. So I ordered one off Amazon. It's supposed to come on Saturday. By then, who knows what happens? We could be at $500. I don't know. But guys, NQ's rebounding. Yeah, this reminds me of when it was at that first previous run. This right here. It reminds me of this before the $500. So let's see it. AMC as well. Scope of 10. Good morning. Jet and Rob, you're gonna have your spacesuits shipped to the moon because we're gonna have to lift off. Yeah, that's funny. I genuinely get excited once I see you streaming. I appreciate that, Ryan. Guys, you guys are insane. So someone sent a package to the body shop. Good morning, Brian. Good morning. Guys, look, you guys are the best. Take a look at this. Yeah, the 10-year has been dropping, right? I'm so glad. I woke up, I saw Tesla at 599. That's 600. Oh my gosh, I woke up, I'm like, well, just look at how I closed yesterday, guys. At 554 after hours, you just expected to drop to like 500 the next day. Good morning, good morning. Well, just look at how I closed yesterday, guys. At 554 after hours. So we're still down. Let's get to break even at least and make some profits. Gift card giveaway again today. Welcome, good morning. Good morning, guys. Let's go. So look, this is my first ever. Like I've never received any packages. Hedgie's banned on the moon. Good morning, Alberto from the Bronx. Someone sent a package, guys. It's like really light. You guys hear that? I thought it was like a spacesuit or something like that. But look at the address. I'm gonna blur it out, but look what it says. You guys read that? Can you guys see that? What a legend. What a legend. I'm excited to open that. Marvin, good morning from Germany. Yes, we're holding the line everywhere. Where's everybody from? Let us know in the chat. Good morning, MJ. Good morning. 10-year. What's the 10-year at? Is it like at 1.5? 10-year. What's going on with eyes? Jesus. This is a multi-day runner. Tyler Chambers, thank you for the donation. You guys don't have to donate, but thank you so much. I told you not to sleep on eyes. I couldn't believe it. This one actually is a multi-day runner. I mean, yesterday with the entire market pulling back, I would have expected that to help with eyes. I don't know much about the company, but this was such a good play for you. Congrats if you got in on this one. I believe you did. Congrats. Congrats. Good morning, William. Galactic apes on the econosphere. Meanwhile, I'm back on planet Earth. Let's get this money. Yep, yep. Let's see. Good morning, everybody. Sweden, Chicago, Miami, Georgia. Let's go. What's up, WWE? LA? Wow, Anaheim? You guys are close. All right, now we wait. We got 28 minutes before takeoff. The 10 years at 1.53, guys. Look at futures. Look at futures pulling back, but it's topping once again here. Is it a triple top? Hmm. The thing I'd be scared here is to see these lower highs like that, and it comes back on down. I would hate to see that. Let's get a green day. Let's get that bounce today. We have yet to see a strong green push. The last time we did, I think, was last Monday. Newport Beach. How many Teslas are in there, Alan, in Newport Beach? Tell us about it. Good morning, Maximilian. Good to be back. Welcome back. Germany, Frankfurt here. Good morning, Chad. Buenos dias. Good morning. Guys, this GameStop pre-market action, I believe there's going to be a lot of FOMO going into this. All the people that said it was dead, the people who sold, I feel like they're going to want back in on GameStop. 238. Wow. Alan says too effing many, too many Teslas, huh? AMC can see 10, guys. If GameStop goes to 250, AMC's gonna go above 10. It's been a little slow lately, but let's hope for the best. What do you think Tesla will hit today? I'm in at 649. It says this is 588 because I was day trading it on Friday, but this is wrong. I'm still down. But if it hits, I kind of wanted to add. I should have added more. I was a little scared, but it has to get back up here at 650s to for at least for me to make some profit. But if it hits 700, I mean, I'd be pretty happy. 606, it's still fighting the $600 mark. It hasn't really seen any momentum above 600 for Tesla. Tesla has just seen like 615 and it shies away. But if we can retest the 640s, I'd be pretty happy because right here it looks like we based and found some support right around the 550s. So let's see if that holds support today. Let's see if we see a rebound. Futures, don't disappoint us, futures. GameStop 227 pre-market. We're slightly creeping up. One thing I'm afraid of every time GameStop is a pre-market is people sell and we see a pullback at market open. I appreciate that, Junzi. Thank you for the live chat. It's you guys. You guys make up the community. I appreciate you guys. We have the best community. Banana not here. Good morning, Christine. Good morning. Good morning, D. Wreck-It Ralph. Good morning. What's your prediction? Okay, so our predictions on GameStop has been pretty crazy. So when it was at 50 bucks, my price target was literally at the yellow line, the SMA. I was like, my price target is $75. Usually when stocks hit my price target, I take profits, right? This is an exception. I have not taken any profits. When it hit 200 first time, I did not sell. This time I'm not selling. So, but that day it went from 75 to 200 after hours. It pulled back. My next price target based off these technicals was what was it, like 150, guys? 150, 180, and we're above 200 now. And I said yesterday my next price target is $300. So that's a big jump. And I'm not gonna underestimate GameStop. Like the first time I did, This is a former runner. So many people are watching this stock on days like where the Nasdaq is completely red. Boomer stocks are bleeding. GameStop is up. AMC is up. These stocks are up. These meme stocks, they call it. They called us Redditors yesterday on Fox News. They called us kids. They called us kids. So I'm gonna stay true to my price target. So far, so good. We've been right. So let's see if we can see 250. That's the next level of resistance. $250. I think anything above that, guys, the moon's the limit. The sky's the limit. Watch. Where's that next level of resistance? It would be $300. Exactly where we crossed under the EMA under the 4 hour is right here. $300. Call me crazy, man, but people called us crazy when it was at 50 bucks. I'm like, hey, it could go to 180, 200, 100 bucks. So they don't believe it till they see it. Manifesting this. We're manifesting this push. Let's get it. Maddie, I appreciate the $5 donation. I truly appreciate that. Guys, you guys don't have to donate any money, but I truly appreciate that. Use that money, buy some more stonks. All we ask for is a thumbs up on the video. We have 63 likes. Can we hit 69 likes? If you guys are enjoying it, welcome. Who here is new? We live stream every single day. Market open, power hour twice a day. Good morning, waterfowl. Yeah, eyes is insane. I did not believe that one. I appreciate being a 70-year-old kid. So that's my little price target. And for AMC, you might be wondering, it's literally the same pattern on the 4 hour, I believe, which is like 13, 14 bucks. Right here, look, similar how GameStop fell under the EMA, it was $300. For AMC, that's the same pattern, but look at the price target. It's a little different. It's 13, 14 bucks. So if GameStop does hit $300, I think AMC can easily see this price level. But keep in mind, what do we have tomorrow, guys? We have earnings. And I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I always give you guys my analysis, what I think, what I've seen. Usually stocks run into earnings and then they dump. People sell earnings. Someone just asked Tricks, Ralph, do you think shorts are expecting a fall from a bad earnings? Well, I think that can also be priced in. I think people are already priced in the fact that they're not gonna do or report the best earnings. Obviously, it makes sense, right? But just what I've seen with like Apple, Tesla, they all run into earnings and then they dump. So that's what I'm afraid is gonna happen or might happen on AMC. I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully that does not happen, but I'm just giving you guys that information, you know? So, I mean, but with it being tied to GameStop's price, anything can happen. Anything can happen. I appreciate that, Colin. I appreciate that. Truly appreciate that. I feel like I do get hyped though. I do get excited. Yeah, this is not financial advice. I just like stonks. But if AMC does pull back, I'm gonna buy more. Open your package. The suspense is killing me. Should we open this now or should we wait till we have like 700 apes here? So I think someone sent me a package, guys. And one of you banana nuts send us a package. It's really light, so I'm curious. It might be like a t-shirt. I feel like it would be like a GameStop t-shirt because I tweeted yesterday I need a GameStop t-shirt. But this is like this is I don't know. I don't know how to explain this. This is just like so I'm so grateful, guys. Robert, I was looking for a spacesuit yesterday all day. I ordered one on Amazon and I couldn't find one. I didn't know it was gonna be this difficult. How about that Tesla? Yes. Is it 600 still? Yes. Yes, $600. And Tesla, we trust. Elon, save us. Guys, Bitcoin, I believe, is moving up, right? It's like a 50, 57, 58,000. What did you say your price target for AMC was again? $13. It was 12 to $13 and we hit that. We hit what, 1180? 1189, so it did hit our price target initially. Is the package from AJ Smiley? I don't know. I don't know. It has no name on it. It just, guys, take a look. He put his address, right? Obviously to ship it, and then he put to the moon. Guys, I'm gonna blur out the address really quick. Let me see. Guys, take a look at this. It says to the moon. Oh, what a legend. What a legend. The package is from Kramer's 401k, or what do you say? Probably from Jim Kramer. I appreciate that, Kevin. Real talk, I enjoy trades, right? I like the guy. I love the guy. But besides him, you're legit way more fun to listen to than anyone else. I can only listen to him at work. Thank you for being a sports announcer with this. I appreciate that. Everyone's like has their own unique, everyone's different. So I like that diversity. I like everybody. Trade deserves a success. I love the guy. 223 for GameStop. Patiently waiting. We got 18 minutes left before the market opens. First and foremost, one thing I'm curious to see if we do pull back, where are we going to find support? So one thing I've noticed is as we pull back at market open, we tend to hold. We've been recently tending to hold at the highs of the previous day. So if that's the case, let's see if we can hold 210, $200. That'll be a huge win, guys. Why? Because we're slowly creeping up. We're slowly staircasing up. So it's Jim Cramer's tears. Did you see that dip at market open on the first hour? When yesterday? Or yeah, usually people take profits, and I'm kind of scared people are gonna take profits here on GameStop. Daniel, so that's why it weighs so little. Bitcoin's at 54,000. Oh, I thought it was like at 58. Let's go. Let's go. This gives me a more of a reason for Tesla to push. Let's see. I'd hate to see a sell-off at open. The pair of paper gloves. I don't know. Can you check Neo? Yes, I believe Neo is like shooting up too. Yep. Oh, 34 after hour. It's basically Tesla. Tesla's little brother. It's literally the same pattern. It's at $37 and it gapped up from 34 yesterday. Is Neo a buy? I stuck with Tesla. Unfortunately, Tesla's one of my favorite stocks. So Sundial. Is Sundial under one again? Damn it. 126. So if I'm not mistaken, I believe they have to trade above one, guys, before like June. They have a compliance or else they get delisted. What's the best app for stock alerts? Um, Usually I use my Thinkorswim app. So say I have an alert here, create alert. All right. So anything that goes above this price here on the bid, it'll send me an alert. So that's what I use for my Thinkorswim alerts. Oh, Roblox. I've heard about that so many times. Craig, thank you for bringing that up. Is the IPO tomorrow for Roblox? Let's check Fintel. Let's check Fintel updates. What do we got for AMC? Guys, did you see the fee? There was a lot of fees being thrown out there yesterday. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at the short shares available 1 hour ago. 95K. So that fee is 12.20%. 12. And yesterday S3 tweeted that new shorts were coming in at 20 plus percent. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. That's crazy. Let's check GameStop. There's that pullback here on GameStop pre-market. Wow. GameStop is showing on Fintel 250K. It was like at a million, right? It was at a million last week. That's insane. The 10 year is at 1.539. Okay, let's get that 10-year down. I'd hate to see the 10-year go to 1.8. Let's check Twitter. Any updates? Let's check Twitter. What kind of updates we got? Uh, 20%. That was for the new shorts coming on in for AMC. Yeah, the ETF containing GameStop, I believe it's composed of 20% of GameStop. It's XRT, right? XRT, let me try to pull it up. XRT is the ETF, I believe. This one also looks like it's probably to break out here at 89, possibly going to $100. They hit a high of 99.24. Let's see. NQ pulling back. How's SPY? SPY. All right, so if we do continue to pull back, we might see a double bottom here at 209. Anything sub 209, obviously we're gonna go and test that whole dollar mark at 200 beyond me. Oh yeah, Tesla got an upgrade, guys. New Street Research upgrades to buy from neutral. Price target $900 on Tesla. The order flow. Check the order flow on GameStop. Yeah, the VIX. What's the VIX at? Like, hopefully not 28. 24 still. Okay, good. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Dante. We got 11 minutes left. I'm excited. Oh, guys, the next congressional hearing for GameStop is next Wednesday. Next Wednesday, the next congressional hearing. I say Tesla creeps closer to 1,000 when it bounces back. That's what I'm expecting. I don't know about a bounce to 1,000, but I think I'm still betting my position that there can be a massive bounce on Tesla. If I could get out at 700 plus, that'll be pretty decent. Who else is drinking coffee here? Got the cold brew this time. We had the CEO of AMC speak on yesterday again on Fox, guys. Pumping AMC. Let's go. It looks like GameStop here is bouncing at 220. Guys, remember we were trying to hold the 120 like last week? Last week we were fighting for our lives at 120. Look how blessed we are. We're at 220 now. Damn. Cold coffee and White Claws, this dude. Why is there a delay? That's YouTube for you guys. There's like a 3 second delay. I can't do anything about that. So anytime a stock breaks out, you might see it like 3, 4 seconds later, but we're watching the same real-time data. It's just a little bit delayed on the stream, so I can't do anything about that. That's YouTube. 40 seconds? I thought it was like 5 seconds. Yeah, it's a broadcast delay on YouTube. I don't know why they don't just do like real time. William says he has a griddle, pancakes, and sausage with boiled egg, cinnamon, applesauce, and grape juice. Let's go. Sounds like an astronaut meal to me. We're going to the moon, baby. I want their golden toilets. We're coming for Melvin's golden toilets. Just subbed from Long Beach. Wow, you guys are not far. There's a lot of people here that are local. Welcome, E-Caspers, to the community. Welcome, welcome. I appreciate the sub. 30-second delay? No way. All right, let's test this. Let's see. 1, 2. 11, 12, 13-second delay. I kind of counted that. So it's like a 10-second delay. I don't know about 45 seconds. I think it just depends where you're located, guys. Oh, we got 7 minutes. The link to this setup is in the description below. Yes, this is TD Ameritrade. This is their charting software called Think or Swim. You think or you swim. AMC 950s. We're back at this range. This was scaring me here. AMC at these prices here was scaring me. So it's slowly creeping up. If we get back to 10, we can see a bullish push. Let's get it. I remember you said 150 would be a win. We're at 220, guys. We're at 220. The internet's slower on the moon. Absolutely. That's why. You're my stonkler. I appreciate that, Thomas. Stonkler. Morning, Philip. Morning. Let's see what we got. We got 5 minutes left, baby. 5 minutes. Why is Dogecoin rise trending on Twitter? Dogecoin went up, guys. I believe. It's a compliment being called a kid by the media. There's a Senate hearing at 10 a.m. Morning, good morning. Oh, it's NQ. Hope, guys, I'm literally just want NQ to rip today. That'll help us tremendously, I believe, on GameStop. Hopefully, it's not the opposite. What GameStop been doing. When the market pulls back, GameStop goes up. So if the market goes up, hopefully GameStop doesn't drop. Morning, Simple Energy. Good morning. Good morning. Mark Cuban hyping it. Yeah, didn't isn't he gonna accept Dogecoin for like the what is it, the Mavericks? 1 to 6. Let's see, Dallas Mavericks. Yeah, there's a huge wall. There was huge walls yesterday on AMC. What was it, like a 9:30 something? Thousands of Dogecoin. That's amazing. Shout out to Mark Cuban. The 10 year is going higher. Stop it. It's at 1.54. Yeah, this needs to come back down to 1.4. Onions? At what price point do we eat an onion, guys? At what price point do we eat an onion? Alrighty, we got 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm excited. I'm nervous. My wife's boyfriend is waiting on the moon. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. 250 for an onion. Mmm. What's up, Charlie? What's up, Charlie? You guys want an onion at 250? Ooh. I don't know how I feel about that. Mhm. $500? That's a little too much. 300. I might go with 300. 300. If GameStop hits 300, I'm eating an onion. Onion and coffee, baby. Last week we had tomatoes with the dry skin on the onion. I'll tell you what, if it hits 320, we'll do the dry skin on the onion. Onion with coffee. Last week we had tomato with coffee, so. How long you staying on today? So we usually do 3 hours, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., and then we come back power hour. Every time we leave at 9 a.m., the stocks go up. So yesterday, right when we left, GameStop hit like 210. All right, here we go. 20 seconds. Oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? 69,420. 10 seconds. Here we go. If it hits 300, we're eating an onion. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, let's see. Are we gonna pull back? There comes the profit takers. Where are the dip buyers at? Caramelize it. Good morning. GameStop, is it halted or what? Are you moving or what? 216.70. Let me set alerts really quick, guys, on NQ. Oh my gosh. Yes! Yes! Tesla! Yes! This is what I'm talking about. Give me back my freaking tendies. Apes. The apes gotta rescue me, guys. I'm stuck in Tesla. And we came back for them apes on GameStop. So now we gotta rescue those stuck in Tesla. Oh, I'm liking this bounce here. Come on, don't sell off on me, buddy. AMC's looking a little stronger here at EMA at 944. We're getting rejected though, so let's see. Let's give it some time. Hopefully it's not opposite day. Who's gonna eat an onion with me? Yeah, someone has to eat it with me. All right, let's see that bounce, baby. Oh my gosh, I'm liking that bounce. One thing that I'll watch out for is getting rejected at EMA the entire morning. Alrighty, look, this is something that AMC is testing out EMA at 944. It's obviously going to have a wall. And look at that wall, 950. Oh my gosh. There's a wall, 950. Can we break that? I think we can. There we go. Breaking that wall. I like the demand here. GameStop, on the other hand, is getting rejected. GameStop pulling back. GameStop is pulling back aggressively, guys. I think it can come down to test 200. Let's hope this is the low here this morning. Let me see them green carry-ons. Come on. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. See, it's still aggressively selling off. This is one thing I was scared of. Not too surprised. I mean, GameStop, guys, is at $200. $200. There's that pullback 208. We might even come down to close that gap. I don't know. That pullback here is also affecting AMC. Let me set alerts on NQ. Come on, please rip on us, NQ. Cannot afford to come on back down. One thing we're patiently waiting on right now is GameStop catching itself. So that pre-market low was 209. So let's see if we can hold 209, 210. It's tested this. It's cracked at 208. So let's see. We're still waiting for that first green candle. It looks like we might have this here. There is still some slight selling pressure. AMC is still at 940, with 944 being the EMA on the 1 minute. We are literally 3 minutes in, so let's wait. Yeah, guys, it's YouTube. I can't do anything about. If I can, I would, but I can't do anything about the delays. It's like slightly delayed, so sorry about that. 420.69. Let's hit 420.69. AMC is trending on where Twitter. So still patient on GameStop, still waiting to see where that first green reversal candle comes in and see how strong that bounce is. This candle is looking pretty promising. Can we go green? AMC's pulling back, guys. AMC is pulling back to 920s. Alrighty, there it goes. There it goes. How strong is that bounce? How strong is that bounce? That candle's not looking promising. Come on, shoot up, shoot up. 215, okay. This bounce here I'm liking on AMC. I'd be more convinced if we see 217 on the bounce for GameStop. There we go. There we go. Push. You got that strength in there. I could feel it. Yes. Yes. All right. We're testing EMA. Look at that bounce, baby. 218. 219. That's what I'm talking about. Alrighty. Now here's the test. Are we going to pull on back? Or are we going to close this candle above the EMA? 220. Oh my gosh. The strength is there. 221. 222. Yes. Look at this crayon. NQ is at or above. NQ is ripping. Stonks only go up. Tesla, what are you at? Oh my gosh, Tesla is pulling back still to 600. What's going on? Any news? Let's see. Let's see if NQ ripping gives Tesla an extra push. We need that push, Tesla. You cannot come down again. You're back at 600. GameStop. Wow. The strength there on GameStop. Can we see the same thing with AMC? Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this bounce here hit 226 guys on GameStop. This is insane. There might be some resistance here at 227 pre-market high. Alrighty. Can we get 3 consecutive green candles or are we going to pull back? AMC is still seeing some resistance, guys, at the EMA. Let's move this slightly. 227 spike on that candle. Wow. Guys, there's that resistance pre-market. Are we going to break that? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Damn, we're moving fast. AMC, why are you not moving? 230. I'm speechless. Whoa, 231. Hello from Switzerland. Fly to the moon. Good morning, Pino. We are gonna blow past 230. We pushed at 231. So when we were at 130, we had resistance here at 130. So we have resistance here at 230. AMC looks like it's bottoming out here, finding some supports. I think we can see a pullback on GameStop. The thing is, I'm afraid, is as aggressive as these bounces and pushes, same way on the downside. That's what I'm scared of. There might be an aggressive pullback, just like we see every single day with GameStop. The volatility is insane compared to AMC. AMC looks like it might come up to test the 938s. Let's set an alert here for a reversal, and we just wait. This is the way. All right, there we go. This might be the red candle. Let's see. Alrighty, AMC reversing. I like that. Can we pull off a GameStop on AMC closing above EMA and seeing a push to 950s? Let me see that. There's that pullback, guys. Might be a little aggressive. Let's see if we could bounce off EMA at 221. Please don't come down to 218. AMC seeing some rejection here at the EMA at 937. When are you going to open up the package you got? Oh, yeah, for those of you that just tuned in, someone sent me a package, guys. Take a look at this. And look what they put. The address literally says to the moon. It's really light. I feel like it's like some paper hands. Alrighty, yes, AMC, yes, yes, yes. 940s were creeping up above EMA. GameStop is still trying to catch itself here. Let's see if we bounce. Usually on days that we have massive strength, it holds near its highs, like right now it's doing at 224. So let's see if we can hold that level. AMC's above EMA. Next level of resistance is 950, which I'm pretty sure there's going to be a massive wall at 950, 945. Okay, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I have a feeling NQ is pulling back. The best package ever. Yes. Let us see the package. You guys want me to open the package now or power hour? 945. Oh, we're also doing. I bought more AMC cards yesterday, guys. You guys know me. 948. Yes, AMC. Yes, yes, baby. Let's go. Let me see 950. Where's that wall at? Let's see if I could find them. All right, we got a GameStop one. I forgot where I put them. I think they're in my room, but we got more gift cards to give away. 948 still. Looks like GameStop might have caught itself here. 953. Let's go, baby. Let's go. GameStop is not having it. I didn't expect that much of an aggressive pullback, but we're testing SMA here on the 1 minute at 218. Give it time, give it patience, let it catch itself. It's a gift from Kramer. Did he block me on Twitter yet? I don't think so. All right, let's see. Let's see what Fintel is showing us. Any update, Fintel? Update me, baby. Let's see. No, no update yet. Last update was an hour ago with 95K shares short available at a fee of 12.20. GameStonk, an hour ago was 250K short shares available with the fee of 2.65. GameStop is at the triple twos trying to test and hold Like I said, just give it some time. Let's see where we hold off of. The key here is higher lows. Once again, like always, higher lows is the key. $9.40. If you guys are enjoying this stream, can we hit 200 likes on the stream? We're so close. 90K and I borrowed this. Yes, Finto is showing 90,000 for AMC as well. The package is probably full of likes. It's really light. I feel like it's a t-shirt, a GameStop t-shirt, because I tweeted out I need a GameStop t-shirt. Somebody might have just sent that. 223. Let it bounce, baby. In the bounce we trust. House Spy. Pretty flat. I mean, I'd rather have it flat at these levels than it continue to bleed and tank. This is not right, I believe. Let it update. How do I fix a delay? That's how you can fix a delay. Alrighty. We're same situation for both stocks. Look, same situation. We're testing EMA. Here comes a bounce. Let's go, baby. 228 for GameStop. AMC, it looks like it's following GameStop now to the candle. Let's see a push to 950 again. Come on. I feel like we're about to hit 230. Come on. Every time we spike guys on GameStop, them damn day traders sell us right back off. I think AMC is way more manipulated than GameStop. Look at that wall of 420 at 950. Um, I believe so too. I would say that I would take your side on that. But then again, I don't know. There's just a lot of things we don't know, guys. Day traders and bag holders. Oh, AMC's breaking out aggressively. Let's go. No, no walls here, baby. No walls. Other than this like pre-market resistance at 962. Let's see how aggressive that wall is. Ooh, it's pretty strong. Let's eat that ask. There we go. Yes. 964. Let's go to $10 today. GameStop is struggling a bit here at 228. I don't mind it pulling back slightly to 224 as long as we hold the higher low above 220. But I'm pretty happy with the price action that we're seeing right here on GameStop and AMC this morning. This market open. Let's see 230s. Yes. Yes, we're about to blow. We're about we're about to leave the stratosphere. Let's test 238 again. Come on. Come on, day traders. Don't do this to us. Don't do this to us. AMC is strong. Strong. Let's go. Hey, come on, GameStop. GameStop, don't double top here. Don't double top. Yes. We're leaving the stratosphere, guys. We're mooning. Can we get rockets in the chat? Come on. 233. Let's go to 238. Let's go to 238. Stonks only go up. Come on, don't pull back. Don't pull back yet. Test 238 and then you could pull back. 234, 235. AMC is going to $10. 235. Come on, one more push. No. You will see it isn't day traders, it's hedge funds. Yeah, with these orders, guys, like this is not retail. 234.7972. But you got to keep in mind, There's aggressiveness on these pullbacks here on GameStop. For every rocket we get, it's like a dollar go up. It goes up. All right, there's that pullback here on AMC. It might be a little aggressive like we had yesterday, but 5-minute EMAs at 948. Let's find some support at 948. GameStop seems to have peaked here at 235, so close to the pre-market resistance, the pre-market high at 238. So now we wait. Now we wait. There's that pullback. Alrighty, this bounce here, I'm liking it. Like we mentioned earlier, yesterday we were pretty much holding near the highs before we saw another push up. So if that's the same case today, guys, we can see like 250, 280, maybe $300. Look at this price action. Become the candle. I'm loving this candle. I'm loving this candle. Come on, don't close on me like that. It peaked to 234 and now it's pulling back to 231. No, that was such a bullish candle, man. I'd hate to see that candle go to waste. AMC's probably gonna do the same thing if GameStop pulls back here. That's not good, guys. This was such a bullish candle. I hate to see that. I hate to see that. I hate to see it pulling back now. Damn. Now it's back to test EMA. The long pullbacks are scary on AMC, Knife says. I agree. I mean, but that's what we've been seeing on GameStop as well. See? These aggressive pullbacks. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about. This was such a bullish candle. I love this candle. I really thought it was gonna push to 240. But let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. Hold these higher lows. AMC is bouncing a little stronger. So look at this candle here. It's pushing hard at 970. We have not seen this type of momentum and volatility on AMC in a while, guys. We pretty much trade sideways, find support. I like this candle here. It's about to go green. There we go. Close green and push back up. And it looks like GameStop is following AMC. AMC had the triple top here at 975, 970. There's some resistance there, so that's the first breakout we need to see before we hit 10. GameStop is back above EMA. I like this momentum. You are like the ESPN for stocks. It's so entertaining. I appreciate that, Red Dragon. We are the new ESPN. Why do they follow each other so closely? You got the same people trading AMC and GameStop, so up 15% is considered a pullback. Look at that triple top here. Let's break past 975. There's a wall there. There's a wall. Come on. Yeah, AMC's meeting resistance at $9. I think you meant to put like decimal after that 9. 975, right? I think that's what you meant. But bears are getting destroyed today. 977. I'm loving this action here more than on GameStop, guys. 980. Let's hit $10. Come on. Why is there a wall? Break past that wall. Come on. I call this the CEO pump. Come on. Don't pull back again. I appreciate that, Thomas. Your commentaries make watching grab so much more exciting. I appreciate that. I truly do appreciate that. If you guys are new here, welcome. We live stream every single day at Market Open and Power Hour. So if you want technical analysis, live technical analysis, take action by hitting the subscribe button. Welcome to the community. Bye bye, Earth. All right, so as of now, we're pretty much waiting for a pullback once again after we hit that new high here at 982 and after GameStop hit 234. So key here once again. Let me draw this really quick. Higher lows. Let's hold these higher lows. They hit 980, but again, we expect an aggressive pullback. AMC earnings tomorrow. Yes, we are going to be streaming that as well. I'm so nervous for the earnings tomorrow. I've never been so excited for earnings. NQ's dumping, right? No, NQ's is still holding. I'm surprised. I'm surprised NQ's holding. Mr. Me with the Dogecoin. I appreciate the donation. Watching live streams and the market is much more entertaining than TV during the pandemic. Keep up the good content. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Can we get a thank you from Mr. Me in the chat? Thank you so much. Once again, you guys don't need to donate, guys. All we ask for is you destroy the like button and subscribe. That's pretty much it. But thank you so much. That pushed us to 983. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see 10. Let's see 10. GameStop is seeing some action here on this green candle. It's looking promising again. It's tested EMA. It held above 227. Such bullish momentum. Let's see if we see another green candle that can push us to 234. AMC is slowly creeping. Penny by penny, we're still moving up. There's that green candle I'm talking about on GameStop. Don't sell off on me again. Don't sell off on us. 989, that's what I'm talking about. Penny by penny, we're slowly moving up. GameStop, if you're going to break out, this has to be the candle here. Don't pull back on me one more time. I hate to see this have lower highs. Come on. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I think we'll see today $10 today on AMC. The force is strong. Yeah, I'm really happy with the action going on AMC. It's been sleeping for days. And it's, yeah, oh, dope is AMC moving mad. This is the CEO pump. Let's go. We're so close to $10. We're so close. 994. Come on. $10. Let me see 10. Let me see 10. We're so close. I feel like there's going to be a massive wall at 10. I'm watching that ask. Oh, it's looking a little toppy here. It might pull back. Come on. It's a huge fight going on. They don't want it to come down. GameStop, on the other hand, is getting rejected, has lower highs. Once again, it's back down to test the EMA. But after a massive push to pre-market at 238, guys, it's well deserved. I'm super thrilled and excited that GameStop is at these prices. Like, do you guys understand this? Like, I'm looking at this and GameStop is showing 228. We were at $47 not so long ago. Like, that blows my mind. Did you get your spacesuit? Yesterday I was looking so hard for one. I ordered one off Amazon. It's gonna come in Saturday. Such a fail. I cannot find a spacesuit, guys. I found some, but they're only for kids. I mean, we are considered kids, right? Fox News called us kids yesterday, guys. Us Redditors are kids. 96,000 wall at 10. There might be a huge wall at 10, guys. So there's that next green candle. If AMC continues its bullish momentum, I wouldn't be surprised if this is the push. We see 10. GameStop, on the other hand, is still testing EMA, trying to find itself, find that support, baby. Now let's see. Let's see. Just 5 cents, yes. But every penny counts, like we had 2 Fridays ago, right? 8.01. 110K wall now. Let's see it. It's not showing up on my ask yet. Come on. It's getting a little volatile. It's a huge fight right now going on with AMC. Somewhere out there, you have the hedgies clenching their cheeks. It's happening somewhere out there. Come on, come on, GameStop. GameStop is fighting. GameStop right now is about to go hard, one way or the other. It's either gonna fly up to 233, or it's gonna drop aggressively back down to 224. It's gonna happen like in the next minute. I could feel it already. It's going hard one way or the other. AMC, come on, you're so close. There's not that much of a wall. Let's go, 986. The next wall is at $10. Come on, GameStop. Go the right way. Go the right way. Follow AMC's footsteps. Damn. Um, Look at Tesla. I feel like it's dipping on me. It's really dipping, right? Yes. You know what? This is for the memes. We're buying 5 more shares. This is for Tesla and Elon Musk we trust. So right now we have 50 shares. It says average price. It says I'm up $2,000, which is completely false. I'm still down. I have an average price of 649. That's for Tesla. So let's see. Let's see. GameStop still failing on me. Damn it. No, there's that pullback. I don't know which way it's gonna go. It's gonna go up or down aggressively. So let's see. If we do pull back, we might see 223, 222. If we do push up, which we have been seeing lower highs, We can see like 232, but from the looks of it, it's looking a little bit toppy, a little bit weak. AMC as well, seeing some resistance at the 990s, pulling back. Let's see where these stocks find support. Oh, you guys are scaring me. Yeah, $10 is a psychological wall. Every whole dollar and half dollar is a huge psychological wall. I appreciate you. Camuelo, right? I'm sorry I said that wrong, but I'm pretty sure I got it right. I appreciate your play-by-play, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. There's that pullback, guys, on GameStop. Fortunately, we did not pop up, but again, we're still fighting to find some support on these higher lows, as well as AMC testing EMA. What's in the box? You guys want me to open the box, right? I'm scared to open the box. All right, if we get 300 likes on the video, we'll open the box. 300 likes and we'll open the box. 5 minute EMA. Yeah, AMC has some room to pull back, guys. Look at the EMA. It's at 958. We hit 996. I'm pretty happy. So let these stocks pull back slightly. Let them find some support. Let them cool off. Let the engines cool off. GameStop, where's the 5 minute EMA at? At 222. So we're pretty much fighting the EMA here. Give it some time. Let it find some supports. All right, looks like AMC. Oh, Tesla. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Tesla looks like it's about to break past that resistance at 615. If it breaks past 615 today, guys. Rescue me, guys. Rescue me. I'm stuck at 649. Where are my apes at? There's that pullback. Let these stonks catch itself. All right, we get 300 likes. You guys are crazy. Damn, you guys want the box? All right, let's go. We're opening the box. All right, I'm liking this bounce here, guys. This double bottom here at 220. It's funny because we were at 120 fighting. Now we're at 220. I like it. So let's see. Tesla tanking. Yeah, right. Suckers, you can't fool me. You can't fool me. We just pulled up Tesla right now. It might pull back. On the 5 minute, it's at 604. So if it does pull back to 600, I'd love to see some support. But let's break out past this resistance at 617. Let's set our alert. The thing is with Tesla, when it bounces, it bounces. It has aggressive pushes. So I'm not too sure how that might be now that it's been completely slaughtered and the price is now technically tied to Bitcoin. So let's see. NQ. Yes, NQ's ripping. Come on, let's get that NQ rip on GameStop. Once we know what's in the box, I'll be able to concentrate on the stocks. This is the way to open the box. All right, here we go. Box time. Thank you guys so much. Alrighty, here we go. You guys hear this? All right, take a guess. Before we open it, someone take a guess what's in here. Tesla, yep. Alrighty. I want to take some guesses before we open it. Let's make this a little bit more. You guys are crazy, man. Don't worry, where Tesla is now, it'll be 50 times more. It's not a bananas. My guess is a GameStop shirt, gift card. It's too light to be a banana. My guess is inappropriate. Gift cards, tinfoil hat. Maybe that might be it. 5 pan attendees, diamond hats, gift cards. It's a gift card. Toy Rocket. Mm. It's not a plush stuffed ape. I'll be so happy with that. I don't think so. It's really light. It's really light. So I think it's a GameStop shirt. I tweeted I need a GameStop shirt yesterday, but there's no way because there's no way they could ship it that fast. All right, here we go. But for those of you that don't know, look at that address, guys. He put to the moon. He or she put to the moon. I don't know. What a legend. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put my hand in and just try to feel it. Roaring Kitty, it's Kramer's soul. It feels like a hat. I think it's a hat. Keys to a Lambo. All right. Amazon Prime. Damn it. It's a hat, guys. It's a hat. It's a cap. Cap or hat. Is that the same thing? I feel like it's a Gamestop hat. I can't open this. What the heck? It's like stuck. GameStop is moving as we open this. This is so sick, guys. It's like, dude, this is so sick. It's a GameStop cap. This is amazing. Guys, look. Can you guys see this? Cap hat, same thing, right? Dude, this is so amazing. Whoever sent me this, thank you so much. This is like, hat is a generic term, cap is a style. This means GameStop is going to $300. Thank you so much. This is like, this is gonna be history in 20 years. I'll be like, this is the game. This is part of the GameStop history right here. Oh, there's a note in here. There's a note. There's a note, guys. There's a note. W's in the chat. Can we get a thank you? W's in the chat. There's a note, guys. Oh, it says, thank you for all your hard work. Ape subscriber, Phil Shifley. Oh, that's so, guys, you guys are gonna make me cry. Look at this. It says, thank you for all your hard work. Ape subscriber. This is so dope. This means a lot. Thank you so much. Phil Shifley. Is he in here? His username looks familiar. Phil. AMC's pulling back, guys. I appreciate that so much, guys. This is gonna be framed right here. This is going to be framed right here. A note from Kramer with love. I'm gonna frame this. This is so dope. The first ever package I've gotten. Like that means a lot, you know? Cool ape. Ape cry. That means a lot. Oh, he Phil's in here. Look, this is him. Phil Shifley, yes. Phil, thank you so much. I appreciate that. This is like you're a legend for that. He's in here, yeah. Can we get a thank you, Phil, in the chat? What did it say? It says, "Thank you for all your hard work, Ape subscriber." That's so dope, and it has his username, Ape subscriber. Roaring Kitty tweet? Really? No. Yeah, it's gonna thank you Phil in the chat. Legend. As GameStop is having some resistance at 231. Let's see how NQ's doing. NQ is still ripping, guys. NQ is still ripping. Tesla is creeping up still. No, it's pulling back slightly. So let's see. Let's see. Can we break 615? Tesla's gonna give me a heart attack. Thank you, fellow apes. You guys, we have the best community here. A Fento update? No update, guys. No update on Fento. 1220. Let's see. Oh, there's an update 20 minutes ago. 85,000. 85K, baby. GME, is there an update? Yes, 500K. It went up slightly. It was like at a 1.2 million last week. Now it's only at 500K with the fee of still 2.65. So let's see. Water. I'm gonna get water really quick. What's up with this shady level 2? Not sure what you mean by that. All right. Can I get your address? I would like to send your wife some surprise gifts. Guys, I don't have a wife. My wife's boyfriend. All right, so AMC pulled back again. We're still waiting to see where these stocks hold after hitting 996. Well-deserved pullback. Um, Doge community. Yeah, we're eating onions today. If GameStop hits 300 bucks. Wear the hat. Should we wear it now or power hour? Yeah, this is so sick. This is so sick. GameStop hat. I'm gonna go to GameStop later on and wear this. Battlefield is your wife. My big head. All right, here we have GameStop pushing. There we go. GameStonk. This would be so sick with the suit, with the space suit. All right, now GameStop has to go up. Let's get a push up, baby. Glue it to your head. My smooth brain. Sleep with it on. Yeah. What's a good entry point for GME? I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor, honestly. I bought a suit already. Amazon just takes forever. Sebastian, how about some popcorn? That simulation confirmed right there. I do have popcorn. Where your wife's boyfriend makes out with your tendies? I can't do a backflip. That's up, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. GameStop pushing up to 28. This is what I'm talking about. Apes, come save me. Come save me. Come save me. I'm stuck in Tesla. GameStop pushing up. We still have some resistance, guys. We still have the lower highs. This is not good. Right there. That's not good. Oh yeah, and they oh wait, what? Yeah, I couldn't get a suit anywhere, guys, off Amazon. Someone sent me that link to that senator. Where's that link at? I can't find it. Let's see. We can actually play that right now. Give me 1 second, guys. I went to Party City. There's nothing. I swear there's nothing. No, they only have spacesuits, but for like kids. Pulling back again, GameStop. See. Anyone know where I could find the senator? Let me see. YouTube? Maybe YouTube? Maybe that's why GameStop's pulling back. All right, here it is. They're live. Can you guys hear?
By investing. But what we know is for sure, over time, long-term investors investing in US stocks, it's the exact opposite of going to the casino. Investors win, and when you go to the casino, you lose. Investors in GameStop and a few other stocks took a lot of risk, but they represent a very, very small fraction of retail investors. And investors should understand that if they make a very risky investment, they might lose money. Those who bought GameStop at its high very likely lost money. I certainly hope they didn't invest money they couldn't afford to lose, but it's not the government's job to tell people which stocks they can and which they cannot buy. In my view, there is one action the regulator should pursue, and Chairman Brown alluded to this, and that's to finish the work that it started in 2004 for a faster settlement cycle, including same-day cycle or maybe even real-time settlement. A faster settlement cycle will reduce risks for clearing agencies because there'll be fewer unsettled trades and a reduced time period of exposure. And a faster settlement cycle will also require less collateral for clearing agencies, which may reduce margin charges and other
Yes.
fees that are inevitably passed on to investors. When the SEC moved to T plus 2 back in 2017, the SEC said it wanted to make settlement even faster. Last month, Ranking Member McHenry from the House and I wrote to the SEC asking that they follow through on this longstanding objective. Let me close by just repeating, I think Congress and the regulators should tread very cautiously here. We should want to make sure that all parts of American society can participate and share in the gains of the stock market, and we should avoid taking actions that would undermine that goal. I look forward to today's testimony.
Thank you, Ranking Member Toomey. I'll introduce today's 5 witnesses. Gina Gale Fletcher, Professor of Law at the Duke University School of Law. Professor Fletcher is a scholar of complex financial instruments and market regulation. Her research focuses on the interplay of public regulations and private ordering, enhancing market stability and integrity. Welcome, Professor Fletcher. Rachel Rabashodi is the founder and chief executive officer of a Adesina social capital investment firm that seeks to serve as a bridge between financial markets and social justice movements. Welcome, Ms. Rabashodi. Dr. Teresa Ghilarducci is an economist, nationally recognized expert in retirement security. Dr. Ghilarducci holds the Irene and Bernard Schwartz Chair in Economic Policy Analysis in the Economics Department at the New School for Social Research. She directs the Schwartz Center for Economic Policy Analysis that focuses on economic policy research and outreach. Welcome, Dr. Ghilarducci. Commissioner Michael Pivovar is the Executive Director of the Milken Institute Center for Financial Markets. Commissioner Pivovar served as a commissioner at the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission from August of 2013 to July of 2018 and was acting chair from January to May 2017. Previously, he was the Republican chief economist for the U.S. Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs under Senators Crapo and Shelby. Welcome back, Commissioner Pivovar. And Andrew Vollmer is a senior affiliated scholar with the Mercatus Center at George Mason University. From 2014 to 2019, he taught securities regulation. He's the director of the John W. Glenn Junior Law and Business Program at the University of Virginia School of Law. Prior to that, Mr. Vollmer was a partner in the securities litigation and enforcement practice at Wilmer Cutler, Pickering, Hale, and Dorr, and he also served as Deputy General Counsel at the SEC from 2006 to early 2009. Welcome, Mr. Vollmer, to our committee. Professor Fletcher, would you begin your testimony, please, for 5 minutes? Thank you.
Chairman Brown, Ranking Member Toomey, committee members, thank you for inviting me to testify.
Gamestop's pushing, guys.
I'm a professor of law at Duke University, where my research focuses on capital markets, financial regulation, and market manipulation. Our capital markets exist to channel investors' capital into its best uses, ideally funding companies to increase sales and create jobs, but also providing investors with reasonable returns, allowing them to save for retirement or to send their children to college. We're here today because we're seeing trading activity that seems to be divorced from this essential purpose. Since the start of the year, GameStop stock has gone through quite a bit of volatility. It started at a little under $20 a share at the beginning of the year, went up to $400, down to $40, and now, as of yesterday, was a little bit under $200 per share. All of this occurring over just a few weeks. As the company's stock price yo-yos back and forth, it is clearly not a good faith reflection of the fundamental value of a company with real stores, employees, and sales. The volatility in GameStop stock is just one of a growing number of examples of market price gyrations which seem to be impacting not only meme stocks, but also some penny stocks, special purpose acquisition companies, and even cryptocurrencies. Financial innovation has made it easier than ever for retail investors to trade more complex, leveraged, and risky assets than ever before. These developments have generally expanded retail participation in the markets, and in some ways, this is great. For example, a recent study has estimated that the racial gap in individual stock ownership has been halved in less than 5 years because of greater, lower-cost market access. However, recent market events have raised questions about the integrity and long-term stability of the markets. Now, while my written remarks cover several topics, I wish to highlight a few key points here. First, to the extent that asset values are subject to wild swings and are divorced from any semblance of fair market values, market participants will increasingly view the markets as rigged and unreliable. This will, in the long run, deter investment and harm our economy. Second, Congress and regulators should act to ensure that those who deliberately distort prices may be subject to regulatory or prosecutorial discipline. Third, Congress and regulators should address the incentives and market structures that have created the modern trading markets. This includes the proliferation of payment for order flow practices, the segmentation of retail orders, and the overall impact on trading costs for all investors, not just retail investors, but pension funds and other institutional investors. It's clear that retail brokers and market makers are making quite a bit of money from these practices, but it's also increasingly clear that retail and institutional investors are paying the price. Fourth, Congress and regulators should review whether and how investors should access complex leverage products such as call options. Opening options trading accounts used to take weeks and still does with some brokers, yet it may take just a few minutes with other brokers. It should not take a suicide for us to realize that many investors in current markets do not fully comprehend the products that they are trading or the risks that they are taking. Fifth, finally, and perhaps most importantly, Congress and regulators must acknowledge that events like what we're seeing with GameStop and other assets are no longer outlier events, but are instead regular features of our current system. Unless action is taken, these events will continue to expand and evolve. This means that brokers need to be better prepared to stand behind their customers' risky trading, and to the extent brokers cannot, the answer ought not to lie with limiting retail participation, as seems to have happened recently when some broker-dealers suspended trading in highly volatile stocks. Additionally, regulators should consider shortening the settlement cycle so that fewer things can go wrong between the time of trade execution and when parties match up securities in cash. Today, it is easier, cheaper, and faster to trade more complex and leveraged financial products than ever before. This new market reality requires that we rethink the risks that accompany these developments, and in so doing, consider how to create a market that is fair, accessible, and stable for investors and the rest of the economy. Thank you.
Guys, Tesla is ripping.
Sorry, I was having trouble with the mute. Thank you, Professor Fletcher. Welcome, Ms. Rabashodi. If you speak for 5 minutes, thank you.
Mr. Chairman Brown, Ranking Member Toomey, and members of the committee, good morning, and thank you for inviting me to testify before this committee. It's my great honor. My name is Rachel Robichoti, and I hold leadership positions at 2 SEC-registered investment advisory firms. I'm the founder and CEO of Addisina Social Capital, where we manage an exchange-traded fund with the ticker symbol JSTC. It holds over 800 stocks and is accessible to everyday investors at a price of about $16 per share. I'm also the director of advocacy and engagement for Abacus Wealth Partners, which is a firm with $3.8 billion in assets under management, but no minimum account size for its clients. I serve hardworking, everyday Americans, so your constituents and my clients are the same people. I've worked in financial services for almost 22 years, so I take the long view of market events, and I've seen everything from the ill-fated dot-com boom of 2000 through the Great Recession and the most recent GameStop Robinhood episode in January and February. So I understand the players in the market, and in this most recent situation, there are really 3 groups for us to consider. First is the hedge funds. These are institutions that primarily manage money for the wealthy, accredited investors, and they're known for their risky strategies and high returns. 2, the Redditors, these tech-enabled young people who use commission-free trading and banded together to outwit the hedge funds they felt had an unfair advantage. Third, and these are the folks that I'm here for today, are the everyday Americans. Hardworking people with long-term retirement savings invested in the stock market. These people rely on government institutions and financial professionals to look out for them. When the GameStop Robinhood episode occurred in January, I was immediately reminded of the MIT blackjack team of the 1990s, when a group of students banded together to break the bank at several large casinos. They realized that if they worked together, they could win substantially more money than the average gambler. So using their math skills and their technology, they coordinated to quickly and strategically place large bets against the house. It's pretty easy to see the obvious similarities between the 2 situations. Like the MIT students, the Redditors in January were young, knowledgeable people with high appetites for risk who chose to collectively speculate by making quick bets against a larger player with a perceived advantage. On the other hand, like the casino owners, the hedge funds are these large institutions with specialized knowledge about the game who some say routinely use their size to tip the odds in their favor. What's not obvious, whether in the casino or in the stock market, is what the wealthy institutions and upstarts have in common. They're all fast-moving, high-risk speculators with more skills and tools than the average person. But there's a problem here for the stock market, which is supposed to be a place where a person can grow wealth by investing in companies that have good prospects. But when fast-moving, high-risk speculators dominate, we have a classic recipe for market disruptions. What we saw in January with GameStop and Robinhood is what we saw during the Great Recession, with Wall Street churning out subprime mortgage-backed securities. Market disruptions like this are a problem because, as stated by SEC commissioners in January, extreme stock price volatility has the potential to expose investors to rapid and severe losses and undermine market confidence. Now, unfortunately, this volatility doesn't impact everyone equally. And let me paint the picture of what the everyday investor experienced. Imagine a two-job household with a couple of kids, adults working hard to make ends meet and save enough for the future. They don't have a pension to fall back on for retirement because so few pensions now exist. They know Social Security benefits their parents receive aren't enough to cover most retirees' basic needs. And for several decades now, and this is key, the economy has only offered these savers historically low interest rates, which means that putting their money in low-risk savings accounts, CDs, or bonds barely makes them enough to keep up with inflation. This leaves investing in the stock market as their only option. It's the only way their savings can grow enough to provide for the future. So they're forced into the stock market casino with their life savings. And they're required to play against armies of sophisticated high-risk hedge funds and Redditors duking it out for dominance. For everyday Americans with smaller amounts that represent all they have to invest, sustaining significant losses or even the perception of losses is devastating. It makes them lose confidence and want to opt out altogether. But we know they can't leave the casino. As an investment professional who works for everyday investors, and as senators with these same people as your constituents, we must fix the system for them. We need to maintain fair, orderly, and efficient markets that serve as a reasonable place for the average American to invest their life savings. And we have a duty to protect these investors from the crossfire of fast-moving, high-risk speculators.
Thank you, Ms. Robichodi. Ms. Scalarducci.
Hello, thank you for inviting me, Chairman Brown and Ranking Member Toomey, and hello to members of the committee.
L or W, guys,
I'm
so
a
far.
professor of
L or
economics at the
W.
New School. I teach behavioral finance and labor markets. I also taught at the University of Notre Dame for 25 years. I received my PhD from UC Berkeley, and I've published 4 books on how workers acquire wealth. The latest one was Rescuing Retirement with my co-author, Tony James. I also am a court-appointed trustee overseeing $60 billion of the retiree healthcare trust fund money for auto workers, and that money is invested to last over 80 years. Now, as a professor, my office hours are typically quiet moments huddled over equations and numbers. But over the past few years, I've seen another trend. Students are coming to me bubbly because they want to know about trading on their phone app, Robinhood. Now, the young are told to buy stocks and they're told to hold them, but these students have absorbed the first point, but they haven't absorbed the second. Trading on Robinhood is a game, and it has psychologically powerful intermittent rewards. The trading is disconnected from long-term wealth accumulation. Phone apps make trading easy, and they are cheaper, and superficially, they seem to open the security markets to many more people. But trading apps do not produce wealth. I welcome today's hearings, seeking to protect retail stock buyers, seeking to protect my students, and I'm here to testify where Americans really get their wealth. So I am going to huddle over a few numbers in the next few minutes. And I draw my data from the gold-plated data from the University of Michigan, the Health and Retirement Survey. And I'm looking at households where people are still working, they're over the age 52, they've gone through their life cycle, they've accumulated their wealth, and we're going to take a snapshot of what their wealth looks like. So averages hide differences. So I'm going to report my numbers in terms of the bottom half of the wealth distribution, the middle class and the next 40%, and what the top 10% of the wealth distribution have. Now, you probably have already guessed that home equity, the net wealth from their homes, and retirement wealth, including Social Security, are by far the largest component of wealth for everybody. They make up 88% of those components make up 88% of the wealth held by households in the lower half of the wealth distribution, 78% for the middle class, and 43% for those in the top 10%. I'm going to make a sidetrack note to note what Social Security means to households. I'm always surprised to see that Social Security is the most important source of wealth for households nearing retirement. In contrast to home equity, retirement wealth, and Social Security, directly owned stocks and bonds make up a small share of these households' wealth. The average is only 8%. Only 24% of older households own stocks directly outside of their retirement accounts. And that ownership, that 24%, is concentrated way at the top. Only 10% of people below the median own stocks directly, and it's a small amount. And less than a third of the middle class own stocks directly. And the wealthy, 70% of them do own stocks directly outside of their retirement wealth. But it is only 13% of their wealth. As Nobel Prize winner Robert Shiller, the economist, recent book just points out, stock trading feeds a narrative. It feeds a story about wealth. Stories about getting rich on stocks produce a fiction that stock trading creates wealth, when in fact retail investors fuel bubbles, as the witnesses have testified to. Defenders of Robinhood and widespread trading have purchased, because the COVID recession have produced wealthy people who have gotten wealth. Their gains heightens the fear of missing out, or FOMO. The reality is that most Americans are being left out because they don't have access to retirement accounts, which is where most of us own stocks. Retirement accounts are invested in diversified portfolios managed by institutional investors and professionals. It's those professionals that can handle the complex instruments for investments, and that's those professionals that accumulate savings, hard-earned savings by workers, and invest them in diversified portfolio. We need innovations in public policy to give more Americans access to what we know works. Professionally managed retirement coverage that allows everyone to benefit from the stock markets, the same way you and I do in the thrift savings plan, in private or public defined benefit plans, as Senator Toomey mentioned, the firefighters and the teachers, or in my plan, the Teachers Insurance Annuity Association. We all need a piece of diversified, well-managed professional accounts. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Ghilarducci. Commissioner Pivovar, please proceed for 5 minutes. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you, Chairman Brown, Ranking Member Toomey, and members of the committee for inviting me to testify today. My name is Mike Pivovar, and I'm the Executive Director of the Milken Institute Center for Financial Markets. I had the pleasure of serving on this committee staff as Republican Chief Economist for Senator Shelby and Senator Crapo. I also served as a visiting academic scholar, senior financial economist, commissioner, and acting chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission. I'm glad you called this hearing today on the state of retail investing. As we've heard, on the one hand, retail investors have never had it better. They enjoy more choices and face lower costs when investing their hard-earned savings than ever before. They can invest directly in securities through brokerage accounts, and competition among brokers has led to commission-free trading. Competition among exchanges, alternative trading systems, and market makers has led to the best market quality environment for publicly traded securities in history. Transactions costs are low, market depth is high, and execution speeds are fast. Retail investors can make their own investment decisions, or they can seek the advice of well-regulated investment professionals through a broker-dealer or investment advisor. Alternatively, they can achieve low-cost diversification and professional management by indirectly investing in the stock market through passively and actively managed mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. Competition among these funds has brought fees and expenses down to their lowest levels in history. The availability of retirement savings accounts, such as 401k plans and individual retirement accounts, also allows low-cost access to the stock market. And now retail investors have taken advantage of these beneficial trends over the past few decades. As Senator Toomey mentioned, the percentage of U.S. households that own stocks directly or indirectly increased from 32% in 1989 to 53% in 2019. Now, low-income households saw the biggest gains over the period, but they still lag high-income households in public stock ownership rates. Now, as we've also heard, on the other hand, the January trading frenzy in Gamestop and other meme stocks and the related difficulties faced by some brokerage customers highlighted a few areas that require the SEC's and this committee's immediate attention. Now, the SEC has already said that they are reviewing actions taken by regulated entities to determine whether they have disadvantaged investors or otherwise unduly inhibited their ability to trade certain securities. The SEC has also said they are investigating whether abusive or manipulative trading activity prohibited by the federal securities laws occurred during this episode. Having worked at the Commission for the better part of my career, I have the complete confidence that the Commission and the staff will identify and pursue any evidence of noncompliance or wrongdoing. Accordingly, I focus my testimony on the market structure and infrastructure policy issues that have been raised in the aftermath of the January trading. In summary, I recommend that the SEC should, 1, evaluate whether and how to move to a shorter trade settlement cycle. 2, study how payment for order flow is working in a zero commission environment with a focus on order routing and best execution requirements. 3, evaluate various alternatives to increase regulatory reporting and public transparency in securities lending. And 4, consider amending the accredited investor definition to achieve more equitable access to investing in private companies across all income levels. Now, my written testimony provides an in-depth discussion of each of these issues, and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for bringing attention to these critical issues and for the opportunity to testify here today.
Thank you, Commissioner Pivovar, and welcome back again to the committee. Mr. Vollmer, you're recognized for 5 minutes. Thank you for joining us.
Well, thank you for inviting me, Chairman Brown, and for you and Ranking Member Toomey and the members of the committee, good morning. My written statement makes 3 points, and I end with my view that what we know so far about the events surrounding the GameStop trading does not provide a sufficient basis for new legislation or regulation. So the first topic I cover is the trading in GameStop by the users of the Wall Street Bets social media forum. Based on the public information I've seen,
Do you guys want to continue watching this, guys?
Probably did not occur in the trading of GameStop. The SEC is investigating, but my understanding is that the main group of individuals trading GameStop did not make material false or misleading statements to the securities markets and were not deceived by others. Another concern has been whether a securities manipulation occurred. The leading definition of securities manipulation, which comes from the Supreme Court, is securities trading that is artificial or not genuine. The traders using the Wall Street Bets site actually bought GameStop and the other stocks. The leading definition, therefore, did not
whether abusive,
engage
happy to
in
answer
manipulation.
any questions you may have. Thank you for bringing
Let's look
attention
at
to
the
these
effects
critical
of the
issues and for the
GameStop trading on the
opportunity to
larger
testify here
secondary
today.
markets for securities.
Thank
At
you,
the
Commissioner
moment,
Pivovar, and welcome back
those
again to the
effects do
committee.
not appear to
Mr.
be
Vollmer, you're recognized for
widespread
5
or
minutes. Thank you for
severe.
joining us.
The trading activity in GameStop,
Well, thank you for inviting me,
AMC,
Chairman
and the
Brown,
other
and
securities
for you,
was
and Ranking Member
limited to a
Toomey and the
few
members of the committee.
companies
Good
and was
morning.
short term.
My written statement makes
Some investors
3
made
points,
money in GameStop,
and I end with my
and
view
some
that
lost
what we
money.
know so far about the events surrounding
Overall,
the
at
GameStop
least
trading
so far,
does not
we have
provide
not
a
seen strong evidence of securities violations or harm to the markets for buying and selling equities on stock exchanges. There have been some question about short sales, and I hope we're able to get into that topic during the questioning. My second point in my written statement, I discussed the role of the broker-dealer Robinhood. It has come under scrutiny because of the Wall Street bets traders using it and because it has certain features that make buying and selling securities easier and more attractive, like commission-free trades or accounts with no minimum dollar amounts. The criticisms of Robinhood failed to give appropriate weight to the benefits of its business model. The Robinhood brokerage service is innovative, and it makes significant positive contributions to society and the economy. It reduces costs for consumers, makes securities trading simpler and easier. It increases consumer choice and lowers barriers to participation in the market for common stock of companies listed on stock exchanges. It therefore opens the securities markets and equity securities ownership to a much larger part of the population and to people with less income and wealth than are typically associated with participation in the equity markets. That is all to the good and serves a variety of goals that I have heard from everyone who's participating in this hearing. My final point is that the information currently available has not revealed a problem of sufficient severity to justify Congress imposing new regulations in these areas. New information could change that, but in any deliberations about possible additional legal restrictions, Congress should give weight to and respect the personal liberty interests involved. I have not heard individual civil liberty mentioned as a factor so far today, but I think individual liberty is an important tradition in our country, and Congress should not restrain personal freedom unless it has a strong reason. That's a summary of my written statement. I'd be happy to answer questions.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vollmer. Thanks to all 5 witnesses. I'll start with Ms. Robishodi. Why do people get discouraged even as some stocks are going up? Do people think the market is fair? What are you hearing from your clients?
You know, we hear from our clients regularly. They ask us literally the casino question, like, is it actually the best way for me to save long term? And what you and I know is that they don't have any other options if they're going to outstrip inflation. And so I do see an increasing, particularly in the younger generation, an increasing set of people that don't want to participate in financial markets specifically because they don't see them as fair or efficient.
Okay, thank you. Professor Ghilarducci, the research on stock ownership shows, as you pointed out, and those numbers were helpful, that half of U.S. households are invested in the market, many are not. I appreciated your recounting where people's wealth, how people hold their wealth and home equity and Social Security, and that's the preponderance of wealth for most people. How does the fixation on Wall Street and stock market performance distract us from the actual economic reality for most families?
As I said, I teach behavioral economics, and psychologically, we're wired to look at most recent events, and when people get rich around us, who are much richer, we see them through the lens of the media. We feel like we are afraid, and fear actually causes anxiety. It might cause pulling back. It might cause coming back in. and it fuels bubbles. And as Robert Schiller's great new book says, it produces a narrative about economics, and a narrative is a fiction. Stock holdings, direct stock holdings, does not create wealth. And I really appreciate what Rachel said, that we wish we had a better option. I wish everybody could be in the kinds of funds that we're in, but they won't get that by directly trading stocks. I hope I answered your question.
You did. Professor Fletcher, Robinhood and other brokers' business models based on selling customers' orders to large trading firms and receiving so-called payment for order flow. If these intermediaries are willing to pay brokers and provide them services, suggests they're getting a better deal than the broker's customers, the retail customers. Explain why these conflicts are so problematic.
Thank you, Senator Brown. So payment for order flow, just as you explained, allows some brokers to say that they're offering zero commission trading to retail investors, and these commissions are then being subsidized by wholesalers. But the payment for order flow model undermines the relationship between a broker and their client, because it pits the broker's primary revenue source directly against the clients to whom they owe a duty of best execution. So under the payment for order flow model, brokers are incentivized to put their own profit-seeking interests above their clients in deciding where to route orders. And this greatly undermines the broker-investor relationship, likely leaving retail investors in a worse position.
Thank you, for Professor Fletcher. Commissioner Pivovar, I appreciate your work at the SEC in 2017 with Commissioner Stein to reduce the time it takes to complete stock transactions, reduce risk in the system. Ranking Member Toomey commented on that too. Robinhood has suggested real-time settlement as a solution to the difficulties it had in January. Is that realistic? What other changes would be necessary? Comment on that if you would, Commissioner.
Yeah. Thank you, Senator Brown, for that question. And as you pointed out, the move towards a shorter trade settlement cycle in 2017 from T+3 to T+2 was overwhelmingly bipartisan. At the time, the commission, there was two of us at the commission, Commissioner Kara Stein, who used to work for Senator Reid, who's on this committee, and myself. It was one that we viewed as a slam dunk to move to T+2. For reasons I stated in my testimony, I think the SEC should absolutely consider moving to T+1. Happy to go in these details, but you asked me about real-time settlement. I think that's a bridge too far at this particular point in time. As we shorten the trade settlement cycle, we reduce risks like market risk, liquidity risk, and systemic risk. But we also have the opportunity, or we have the challenge of increasing operational risk. In order for real-time settlement to work, everything has to work perfectly all the time. And it's important to remember that the trade settlement cycle for securities does not operate in isolation. We also have to make sure the cash gets there. And that brings into account banking payment systems. It brings into account foreign exchange settlement systems for cross-border transactions. And all of those have to be calibrated to make sure that it works perfectly. And so at this point, I think absolutely the SEC should look at shortening the trade settlement cycle, perhaps +1, but I think real-time settlement is just a bridge too far at this point.
Thank you, Commissioner. Ranking Member Toomey.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Dr. Pivovar, when I graduated from high school in 1980, the Dow Jones Industrial Average had a low that year of 759, and it traded at a high of about 1,000. Last time I checked this morning, the Dow was at 32,000. And I guess my question for you is, if a retail investor took whatever amount of savings he or she could and regularly invested in a broadly diversified portfolio through whichever mechanism, and did that over these last 40 years, is it likely that that investor would have earned very substantial returns on those investments, or is it more accurate to think of the stock market as a zero-sum casino?
All right, here we go. On or off.
It
seems like you guys want me to take this off.
Going to lose because there's a hedge fund out there somewhere that wins.
These guys, regardless of
thank
what
you
they
for that
say,
question,
catch these diamond
Senator.
hands. I ain't selling.
As Andy
They're
Vollmer
making it
pointed out
seem
in his
like
testimony,
these stocks
the
are done
returns that
for. I
retail
don't like that.
investors get from long-term investing is exactly the same as an institutional investor who invests in the exact same securities. And what we know for long holding periods is that, on average, the stock market tends to go up. There are daily fluctuations, there are minute by minute fluctuations in individual securities. But what we know is that retail investors who hold diversified positions in low cost mutual funds and other mechanisms over long periods of time will do quite well in increasing their wealth.
And those low cost options are lower in cost and more available today than ever before. Isn't that true?
That is correct. Since the time that you graduated in 1980, not only do investors have the opportunity to invest in open-end mutual funds, but a new innovation, exchange-traded funds, has entered the landscape and has brought incredible competition to this industry and brought fees and expenses to their lowest rates in history.
Right. A quick follow-up on the faster settlement cycle. I understood you to say that there might be some challenges, technical challenges in real-time settlement. But would you distinguish between real-time settlement and same-day settlement? And do you think that it is feasible to move to same-day settlement, or do you think we really should be happy with T+1?
Alrighty. No, I'm not talking. Let's see. We're back, we're back, we're back. L or W? I didn't like that. That makes it seem like games, they're trying to portray like this is over, which is completely not. I do not think this is over. I do not think GameStop is dead. It's absolutely not. It's up 17% today. We hit 244 today. Right now we're pulling back as we head into the midday. Remember, we have these short attacks coming out in a couple hours. We're still pulling back a little bit more aggressive than I thought it would, but it's back down to this trading range here at 228. So let's see a bounce on the 5 minute. We're under EMA now. Let's see where we find some support. You guys didn't seem to like it either. L, L, L. Did he say that, Alex, that we're crashing? AMC's also pulling back. Let's see if we could have AMC hit $10 during power hour. Yeah, if it was dead, it wouldn't be at 230. They just hate that this stock is outperforming. They hate to see it, guys. This this is just getting started, baby. Oh, yes. My next price target is $300. Let's check Fintel. We have any updates on Fintel for GameStop? Last update was 36 minutes ago. Let's check AMC. Last update for AMC was an hour ago with 85,000 short shares available at a fee of 10.47 now. Guys, Tesla is pulling back, but Look at this push we had here to 634. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's see another push up. Create that alert. It would have been so amazing if we actually bought the dip yesterday here initially and we didn't hop in earlier, but it is what it is. So we're back at the same trading range for GameStop, the 228. Yeah, power hour is the last hour of the trading day. So 12 to 1 here and the Pacific and 3 to 4 Eastern. Still pulling back. Owen Cox, I appreciate that. I appreciate the donation. Guys, you guys don't have to donate. Just drop a like. We have 400 likes. Can we get 420? Can we get 420 likes on the stream? If you guys are enjoying it, welcome. We live stream every single day. Market open and power hour, but thank you so much for the donation. I also still have to give away some gift cards. We still have one more GameStop gift card to give away and a couple more AMC. And all you gotta do is just comment and like yesterday's video. So every day we're giving away a gift card. I'll put the link up right now. It makes it easier to do the giveaways on YouTube than on Twitter because a lot of people don't have Twitter. There's that. I'm gonna pin this really quick. Nasdaq pulling back. We're still up 3.36% on Nasdaq. I love this here. It's still pretty much holding at these levels. So let's see what this brings us for power hour. 38 million volume for AMC. I'm liking AMC's pattern a bit more than GameStop actually, guys. It still has these higher lows. It didn't come down to like 960 or double bottom, and we already saw what happens when AMC double bottoms. It comes on down aggressively. Why is power hour different? Different time zone. Yeah, head and shoulders. This is literally a head and shoulders right here. We're back at the same support level here at 228. So we can possibly see a push to 234 right there. Right around here. Let's see how long that takes us. As of now, we found support at these price levels. GameStop is a huge win for me, guys. It's a huge win for all of us. All of us. Yeah, these are very, very bullish patterns, guys. All right, it's testing EMA. EMA here on the 1 minute on GameStop is at 231. So let's see if we see some resistance there before breaking out to 234, or are we just gonna pull on back? Well, now we just wait. Head and shoulders is bearish. I don't think so. No, head and shoulders is not bearish. There's that push. There's that push to EMA, baby. Are we going to get rejected or are we going to push to 235? AMC, I'm liking that action on AMC. 980s again. So there's some slight resistance on AMC at 980, but obviously there has been some massive walls. There's going to be a huge wall at $10. Once we hit 10 today, which I do think we can, there's going to be a wall there. There's GameStop testing that EMA. Oh, there was the deep Roaring Kitty tweeted. I kind of showed you guys it, but I didn't have the volume on. Let's see. Check this out. Check this out. Let's play the Roaring Kitty tweet really quick.
Why are you running? Are you doing this for world peace?
Are you doing this for the homeless?
Are you running for women's rights?
Or for the environment?
Or for animals?
They just couldn't believe that somebody would do all that running for no particular reason.
Why are you doing this?
I just
like the stock.
Oh my gosh. That's hilarious.
Same group of usual suspects.
I think there's a lot of mystery when you see a stock like this and people begin to think, are prices real?
You know, our challenge, Jim, will be to deal with the news that we can actually understand.
Yeah, I feel like I'm at the top of my game.
Yeah, Forrest Gump, what a legend. I just like the stock. What do you think of Tesla? I'm holding Tesla. I'm still waiting for a pushback to 700. Let's see 700. A price I want GameStop to close above today would probably be, Brian, I agree with you, 230. AMC is a slow mover, but we're headed into the slow part of the day. Power hour today is going to be so exciting, guys. Make sure you don't miss today. I have a feeling there's going to be massive volume coming in. Prices are very much real. Waterfall. So right now we're seeing some rejection, guys. We're seeing some resistance here. On GameStop at 230, AMC is once again testing the EMA. Pretty much trading sideways right now, apart from that spike here to 244 on GameStop and 996 on AMC. So let's be patient and just wait. Yeah, a close above 970 on AMC is a big dub for us. The 10 years going up? No, don't say that. Let me see. $1.56. All right, so I think we have some Webull stocks as well to unpack. So if you do open up a Webull account, you guys know, you guys probably seen this everywhere. You get 2 free stonks, you and me. So I just opened them on stream yesterday. The most expensive stock I got with Snapchat was 60 bucks. And yesterday we got another Snapchat share. So 2 Snapchat shares. GameStop is testing EMA again. Here comes that push to 234. Let's see that push to 234. So the first thing down below is the Webull, I believe. Let's sign in really quick. Get that verification code. Let's see. Give me 1 second, guys. Let's see. Give me 1 second. There's that push above EMA and GameStop. 232. Typical pattern of a head and shoulders. Typical pattern. Let's see. EMA is the exponential moving average. All right. Let's see. Tesla. Yes, we're so close to breaking even, guys. Yes, 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 baby, yes. Can we get some rockets? We're so close to breaking even. We're literally up $3,300 today. Well, we're not up yet. This is just because I got too excited and I bought at 649. If I wouldn't have bought, we would have been up 3.3K today. Damn. Tesla's up 12% today. I think I could break even and possibly make some profit. Honestly, guys. But there's obviously going to be that resistance at 650. Damn, man. This would have been such a crazy play. Guys, once if we do make profit, which I do think we can on Tesla, we're going to be giving away more gift cards. So let's go, baby. Yes. Who else is holding Tesla with me? There's a couple people here holding Tesla, right? Also trading Tesla. Man, that dip at 539 was so juicy. If I wouldn't have ever bought, I should have doubled down. I should have not been scared. I'm trying to sign into my Webull so I could unbox these or unpack these free stonks for you guys. Yes, Tesla. Webull.com. I forgot how I did it yesterday. Webull. Alfredo says he has a put on call on Tesla. We'll see. We'll see. There's obviously a lot of mixed opinions. There was yesterday on Tesla. Let's see. Holding 40 Tesla at 515. See, that's an amazing price. Wait, let's see. I got CCIV as well. Only got 10 shares on CCIV though. Pretty small position yet, but I'm holding that long term. Looks like we're still seeing some rejection here at 233 on GameStop. So again, I think we are going to trade sideways. Hopefully we hold that support at 224 throughout the day, headed into power hour. Same thing with AMC. Hold the 980s. If Tesla hits 650, I'll eat a tomato. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I'll eat 2 tomatoes. Did I send my alert on Tesla? No, it's so close to breaking out. Let me send my alert. I think I expect a stronger bounce than this. That's the thing with Tesla. I always sell right before it rockets. When I sell, it rockets up. It always happens. Tesla will bounce back harder. Yes, I agree, Owen. That's why I'm holding. I'm not losing this time. It's not a loss till you sell, but again, everyone is in a different position. Some can take, or some have more risk tolerance than others. So everyone is in a different position. But I'm willing to take that risk. So I'm trying to sign in Webull. Power hour is the last hour of the trading day, guys. And yesterday there was somebody that sent a video that bought like that was bearish on Tesla. He bought like 69K. So I don't know how he's doing today. He must have covered. I don't know. Eat a tomato if GameStop hits 250. We'll eat an onion if GameStop hits 300. Sundown. I'm not selling Tesla. Please keep buying. Let's see. Let's see. Alrighty, here, my free stock. I found it, guys. All right, so let's see what we get. We have 3 chances of winning a free stock. Yesterday, we had 7, and literally, we just became the largest shareholder in WPF. Look at this. WPF, 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 and then Snapchat, which we got yesterday. But DVAX is also another one I've been getting consistently, and then we had another Snapchat. So let's see what we get. Can we get another Snapchat? We got yesterday's Snapchat on our first try, so here we go. All right, let's go. 2 more. Bruh. All right, we got one more. Come on. Please don't be WPF. I'm not gonna look. Ah, damn it. Alrighty. WPF. Yeah, someone in the chat put Project Pains is gonna be WPF. Can we get L's in the chat? That was such an L. I mean, that money's gonna go back to you guys. So let's give away some gift cards. Tesla, my alert hasn't gone off. Has not gone off. WPF to the moon. Watch WPF go to like $100. I'm the WPF CEO. No. Yeah, it always gives me the same one. WPF. Yesterday, Snapchat has been the most expensive one, but I always, since I'm on the influencer program, that makes me cringe so bad. I guess you get like chances to win like a Google or a Facebook, more expensive shares, but you never get it. Look at the stock. WPF is not moving. What the heck? The stonk is on a downtrend. This is such an ugly 4-hour. Tesla, come on. All right, I'm liking this GameStop pattern here, guys. We have some resistance right around 230, but we're still holding these higher lows, so power hour is promising. Let's short WPF. I'm gonna short Robinhood. That's gonna become one of the most top shorted stocks, I promise you. Tesla dropped to 546. I just saw Tesla. Should I transfer my stocks? Is it a pain? I've never transferred stocks because I do think it's a pain, but I've heard if you try to transfer from Robinhood, it takes like 2 weeks. So I've never transferred stocks. Are you a mod for WPF? Knowing the luck we've been having, watch WPF just shoot up out of nowhere. I would not doubt that. Alrighty. What? It says you like the stock? Alright, this is promising here, guys, on GameStop. I gotta go. Quick bathroom really quick. I'll be back. GameStop better be at 236 when I come back. We got the banana. Looks like we hit 236. So we still have the head and shoulders pattern forming beautifully. Guys, we are holding higher lows. This is such a bullish. I have a feeling once we end the stream in like in 45 minutes, it's going to push up. So let's see. I should go to the toilet more often. Alrighty. Pulling back, testing EMA, NASDAQ. Let's set our alert just in case we start ripping one more time. SPY 389. I like this. All right, GameStop is testing EMA. Let's see if we hold higher lows. What's so funny? You guys make me laugh. What, Alex? These banana eating sessions always affect me some kind of way. I don't get what you mean. Two 33. It looks like we're holding the 230s, guys. Not a lot of crazy momentum or swings like we experienced earlier at market open, but again, it's about to be lunchtime. It's about to be lunchtime. John Gomez says he's craving some tendies. There's an update. Is there? No. Intel, no. No update on GameStop just yet. So AMC is still there, guys. Same price we've been fighting here at 980s. So let's see if we see a push to $10. This looks to me like it's a bullish triangle forming. Look at this. Let's hold the 970s above the 970s, headed into power hour. And hopefully we have a decent rip up to $10. That would be so huge, as well as GameStop. Look at this. It's setting up beautifully. Beautifully. Alrighty, there's that push, 983. Are we going to see that push happen right now? I'd be surprised if it does push right now. Let's see, let's see. Do you speak German? I know like one or two words in German. Like I know how to say thank you. Oh no, I still seen some resistance. Eight 984. We might see that push here, guys. AMC might push to test 990 right now. Let's just wait and see. We bear? I call this the Phineas pattern right here. Ascending triangle. There we go, 986. Here comes the 990 test, 987. I'm pretty surprised it's happening right now. Such a bullish pattern. Let's test that 990. Why is there a wall at 987? GameStop, on the other hand, is still basing out at the bottom, finding some support. Let's see how we head into midday. 987 once again. Are we going to eat away at that wall? Tesla is about to run. Don't get my hopes up. Oh my gosh. Yes, we're literally... I can't do math. What's 49 minus 37? We're 12 bucks away from like breaking even. I believe in you, Tesla. But there's been a massive glitch, guys, on right here for the active trader. A big glitch. It says I'm still down a lot, but it doesn't make sense. The math doesn't add up. There's GameStop. Can we see the similar push on GameStop as we did on AMC here to 987? I think there might be a little bit more of an aggressive push coming here in on GameStop back to retest the 237. Simple Energy says, let's get to 200 likes. It's showing we have 461 likes. Can we get to 469? I'm not sure. I think the likes are off, but it's showing 461. So these are the resistance levels, guys. 237 for GameStop and 990 for AMC. Tesla, yep. So we're patiently waiting. That ask here is at 985. Yeah, YouTube app is lying. Getting those Robinhood vibes off YouTube right now. It shows 266. I think you have to refresh. It's showing 471. Yeah, AMC is really looking nice right here. Very bullish pattern both on AMC and GameStop. I'm loving it. There it is, 985. One more time. Here we go. Is this the candle that pushes up above that wall at 990? Let's see. 985 testing again. GameStop pulling back slightly. I need to buy tinfoil hat. I don't have tinfoil right now. Mike, have a good day. I'm out. Have a good day. You too. Have a good one. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in. GameStop again fighting the 230 level. Slowly but surely, we're creeping up. I'd hate to see this come down and test some new support at 228. So let's just move up from here. There's AMC once again at 986, getting a little bit of some volume coming on in. Can we see that push to 990? Hate to see that massive sell wall. Yeah, there's going to be a huge wall at $10 for AMC. AMC is about to pop. I can feel it. It's coming. It's coming. The ask at 987 is pretty big. So let's see. Put our alert there. Make a tinfoil Kramer suit. Patiently waiting, patiently waiting. Tesla. Yes. Yes, baby. Let's go. Yes, we're 10 bucks away from breaking even. Let's go. I can't believe this happened today, guys. Oh, yes. Push, baby. Oh, I think we're about to start selling here. No, actually, no. I don't think this push is going to take us all the way to 650s. Let's go. This would have been such an amazing play if we would have bought a little later. There's AMC. There's AMC breaking past that wall. Let's go. Stocks only go up. Show me 990. Come on. Kramer is squeezing his cheeks. Absolutely. There's AMC. Are we having this? I mean, there's Tesla. There's Gamestop as well. Here they come. Here comes the breakout. We're gonna retest that resistance. Look at that huge wall on AMC at 990. Wow. Yes. Breaking past that wall. Come on, GameStop. Let's get some rockets going in the chat. Let's go, baby. Tesla got rejected right at our alert. I don't like that. I need to have a Tesla plan, guys. Because look at the 4-hour. We've broke past that resistance on EMA, but take a look at this. We might get rejected right around 650s. That's what I'm afraid of. That's what I'm afraid of. We're so close to 10 bucks. Literally broke that wall at 990. Tesla. Tesla. Yes. Yes. We're so close. You apes rescued me. The apes came back for me, guys. You guys rescued me on Tesla. I can't believe it. But this is off though. Why does it say I'm still down 1200? There's no way. I should be down like 150 bucks. Why does it say I'm down 1200? This is always off right here on Tesla. This doesn't happen with any stock but Tesla. AMC's about to break out again. Let's see 10. Come on, Tesla. Guys, I think Tesla can really hit 650. I think it could go nuts right now. But keep in mind, look at the 4-hour. It retests that resistance on the higher lows and it comes back down. That's what I'm afraid of. Come on, come on. Let me see 650. No ape left behind. You guys rescued me. Broke VWAP. There he is. You had Tesla calls, right? I believe you did. How's NQ? Pushing or pulling back? NQ's about to rip again. Futures are ripping. Did you forget stonks only go up? GameStop up. Yes! Push, baby. All right, there it is. We're breaking out. We're breaking out. Futures are ripping. GameStop is ripping. AMC, come on. You're the only one left behind. Don't pull back yet. Let's go. Let's go, baby. The show goes on. The show goes on. Jose says he's in on AMC and Tesla. Let's go, baby. And Elon, we trust. These lights are about to go off on me. AMC fake out? No, I believe there's just a lot of selling pressure on AMC. AMC has been trading like this for the last couple of days. I'm happy and surprised that we did see a lot of volatility momentum on market open. And Q is killing it, yes. What do you have set for the VWAP? I do not have VWAP. I'm a simple man. I only use SMA and EMA. Simple moving average set at 200. EMA exponential moving average set at 13. If you look at the description in this video, I have another video on how to open Thinkorswim, how to set it up exactly like this. So you have the same setup. So make sure you check that out if you are interested or have Thinkorswim. But as of now, futures, come on, NASDAQ. You're the only one that was getting slaughtered yesterday. Now it's your time. Come back. AMC pulling back slightly, testing EMA, but still has that uptrend going. Tesla go 650. Yes, if Tesla hits 650, we're back in the game. We are back in profit zone. If I would have doubled down yesterday, that would have been such an amazing play, but you never know, guys. You just never know. What's that yellow mark? That's the SMA. How long does it take TD to deposit funds? It's been 2 days already. Miguel, I believe you reached out to me, right, about this, about the delay on Discord, right? I mean, it should be really quick, really instant. Your setup is clean. Thank you. You guys get the same exact setup, step by step, in the description below. Do you have TD Ameritrade to use Thinkorswim? Yes. You can have an account and just fund it with like 50 bucks. You don't even have to trade on it. You could just use it for charting. You could use Webull for executions, whatever broker you use. There's that push. I'm loving it. Come on. Any news? Any news? House to vote Wednesday on 1.9 trillion stimulus pandemic. Yeah, the funds should be immediately. I don't know why it's taking 500K is not a meme. Let's go. Better some profits than a complete loss. Yeah, Tesla really tested my diamond hands. And then they have not broken, baby. Kramer, you can catch these diamond hands, buddy. They're only getting stronger by the day. AMC, there it is. Once again, bouncing off EMA. That wall there, guys. Look at the ask at 997. You'll see this once it's at 997. You'll see it right there. It is. Look at that ask. It's huge. 995. I'm so convinced that that wall at 10 is gonna be massive. Oh, we're breaking out. The demand is there, baby. People are buying AMC. 997. I'm so curious to see where's that wall at 10. You can't hide from us. People better not sell. Don't sell on me. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. 998. We're so close. $9.99. 10. Come on, no. Let me see 1001. 1001, 1001, 1001, 1001. No, look how volatile it's getting right now. Look at that candle. We have not seen AMC tick like this in a minute. There's a big fight going on there at 10. Gamestop testing EMA once again still has the same AMC type pattern where it pushes up. Yeah. Hey guys, we hit 10. We hit 10. That's a big W. That's a big W. AMC is back at $10. Yes. Go, baby. Gonna be a big red candle. Yeah. We hit 996 earlier and we pulled back aggressively. So if we do pull back aggressively, we could possibly see 980s again. Again, no big deal. Healthy pullback before we slingshot headed into power hour. Yeah, who says it hit 10? Yes, it hit 10. It's showing 10 on my Thinkorswim. All right, there's that second green candle after we hit the high. Is it going to pull back or is it going to continue? Let me see 1001. Break that wall. Oh, look at that wall at 10. I told you guys there's a huge wall at 10. Look at that ask. Wow. It might take some strength, but there's a massive wall. Look at this. It's slowly coming down though. Slowly coming down. 1593, 1598, 1607. Ooh, yeah, it's gonna struggle a bit, but we hit 10, guys. We hit 10 W's in the chat. I'm happy. I'm happy. There's GameStop with the second green candle after bouncing off the EMA. Is it going to break past 239? I sure think it is. Let's see. Let's see. Set our alert. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla possibly pulling back. No way. We're so close. You guys came back for me. The apes came back for me on Tesla. It hit 647. It's holding EMA. I'm surprised. I'd possibly see a pullback down to 635 for Tesla, but look at this. Look at that 5-minute chart. So beautiful. Crazy. I kind of want to sell, break even, and then buy back on the dip. AMC is still eating away at the ask at $10. So let's see it. GameStop looks like it's about to just break out and hit 240. Yes! AMC hit 1004. Let's go. W's in the chat. We broke that ask. We broke the wall. Ain't nothing stopping us. So many big sales. Yeah, but look, we ate our way at the ask. Let's go. GameStop, it's your turn. Show me 240. Yes, 1005. GameStop, it's your turn. Why is it shining away like this on us? The walls was nothing. That wall was something. Big wall there. GameStop, no. Check Fentel. Okay, I'll check Fentel. Let's see. Are we going to see another high? 1007. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Let's see. Fentel, what do we got? No update on Fentel. 1009, 1010. No update, guys. There's no update on Fentel. No. 1013. Look at this beautiful breakout. This is one of the most lovely patterns you can ever see. Morning run, pulls back, higher lows, and then it breaks out. That's perfect. GameStop is next. GameStop is next. 1015. That's insane. We're taking off. We're taking off to the moon. 1017. I'm really surprised GameStop has not shot up yet. I have a feeling if it doesn't shoot up right now, it's going to pull back down to 232. 1018. Getting aggressive. Where's my 1020s at? 1020, come on, you're right there. 1020, let's go. All right, let's see. What are we going to pull back to? Where's my 5-minute? If it pulls back, I'd love to see this whole 10. That might be a long shot, but maybe mid 990s. Oh, GameStop is pulling back. Yeah, there was no strength here for GameStop. So we're going to come down, retest some potential higher lows, and then we could shoot up. And yeah, this is a beautiful pattern, guys. This is so beautiful. What's the volume like on AMC right now? 51 million? The Phineas, yeah, this is the perfect Phineas pattern. The Phineas pattern. $10.20s was that resistance. Looks like we're pulling back now. Well-deserved pullback on AMC. Healthy pullback, I agree. KE. Healthy pullback. The Senate Finance meeting just crashed? What do you mean it just crashed? Oh, I forgot we were watching that earlier. Let's see. Senate. Oh, yeah, people are saying on the chat for that stream, it did crash. Look, it says an error has occurred. It just crashed. The chat is going crazy. Melvin Capital just emailed her saying that she's gonna bankrupt them. Let's put to the moon. To the moon. It's back up. Alrighty, it's still bouncing. GameStop is still in the game right here at these levels. Looks like it doesn't want to go out without a big push. It doesn't want to drop back. AMC, here comes the pullback. If AMC is strong here, it's gonna bounce now off 1004 and retest 1020. That'll convince us that the strength is still there. Let's see. The SEC just got hacked. Yeah, there's some pretty decent support right around 10. It hasn't really tested 10, so let's see how well it holds. But now it's trying to bounce. Let's see how strong that bounce is. Here comes GameStop. Is not going out without another push. There comes the aggressive volatility on this candle. I call this the SEC hack pump right here. The SEC hack pump. Come on, it's right there. It's coming. Third time's a charm, baby. Don't shy away. Don't shy away. Third time's a charm. My palms are getting sweaty. Look at that bounce on AMC. That is strong. Come on. Come on. No one's seen some rejection. Charts are behind. I think you have to refresh. MC, I refreshed it. It might have updated it. "30 seconds? I thought it was like 10 seconds. I refreshed it. It might have changed. Neo is booming. Yes. We're $1 away from breaking even. You apes saved me. Neo is probably rocketing, similar to Tesla. Yup. Guys, we're $1 away from breaking even on Tesla. This would have been such a huge profit if we would have just bought the dip earlier, a little later actually. Here comes AMC. It shied away from 648. Damn, it's pulling back now. So close. Now it might pull back. Tesla might pull back to like 630s. But let's be patient. We're still going to hold this bad boy. How's NQ? Going sideways, yeah. GameStop is so close. 1022 on AMC. There's that breakout, guys. There's that breakout. Why did it just come down like that? That was a really odd spike. I didn't even get to see the candle break out. It's pulling back now. 1022. I'm loving this action more here on AMC than GameStop. What's going on with Melvin? I don't know. Was there any updates? I'm trying to see. We hit a new high though, guys. We hit a new high. I can't find any news on Melvin. Ever thought of calling horse races? No, you would rock it. I appreciate that. Maybe in the future, I don't know. 1023, 1024 on AMC. Who got hacked? I don't know. Someone get hacked? 1024. Yes, baby. I think the next level of resistance is obviously going to be, guys, 1050. We're above 10 on AMC. We're above 10 on AMC. 1028. That's insane. Spy, alrighty. The market being green, obviously, I believe, truly helped AMC a lot. I love that. Bento AMC, yes. Yes, sir, I got you. Refresh this. And that's update 27 minutes ago with 350K short shares available at a fee of 10.47%. Here comes 1030. Let's see 1030 on AMC. Pull up 10 stocks up and call the race. You guys are funny. You guys are funny. Alrighty, for GameStop, guys, we kind of had a failed breakout resistance here at 238. We're pulling back. We still have that uptrend headed into power hour, which I think is going to be nuts. AMC looks like it's about to make a new high at 1030, honestly. I think we could see 1030 right now. The strength is there. The stonk is alive. 1030, where are you at? There you go. Thank you, market makers. Thank you. Big dubs. 232. Here we go. 235, where are you at? 1050. Where are you at now? That's a big W. That's a big W. Big W, baby. 1036 for GameStop. GameStop is still there at the same level we've been trading at. It's like it doesn't want to leave without a big push. It does not want to leave without a big push. Alrighty, now it looks like we could hit 1040s. Honestly, look at this candle here at the new high at 1036. There's not that much of a wall there at 1036, so I think we could see 1040s on the second push. Let's see it. 1039. Come on, one more penny. Come on, market makers. Come on. GameStop is right there once again, guys. It is not leaving. 1040, you're right there. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. GameStop. 1041. It's going to 1050. We are going parabolo. We're parabolic right now. We're parabolo. 1043. My palms are sweaty. GameStop, there it is. GameStop is not leaving. Guys, if you guys are enjoying the stream, we're 9 likes away from 500. Let's see if we can hit 500 likes right now. You guys are insane. Can we get some rockets? When in doubt, talk to Ralph. I appreciate that, Ryan. The volume is crazy, yeah. So now I'd expect a pullback. We have a lot of room for a healthy pullback, guys. But let's see. I have a feeling we can see an aggressive red candle at the 1020s. Obviously, the higher holds the better. GameStop still struggling here. Show us you're alive. Push to 240. Starbucks. Oh, you guys blew past 500 resistance on these likes. There's that pullback, guys, to EMA 1020. Yep. Healthy pullback. Not surprised. You like the stream? You love the stream. I appreciate that. Well, if you guys are new, welcome. We live stream every single day, Monday through Friday. If you find any value in that, want some live technical analysis on these stocks, take action by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We're also giving away the gift card later on during Power Hour. So all you have to do is comment and like the video that we have here pinned in the YouTube chat. I'll send the link as well. All you got to do is like and destroy that. So let's see. AMC is bouncing at 1028. Pretty strong. GameStop has not left the fight. Honestly, guys, I think GameStop is going to push to 240 right now. I'm so surprised it's holding at these levels. And with AMC hitting 1045 and GameStop not reacting, it's your turn, baby. It's your turn. 1028. Let's get some horses in the chat. All right, we're seeing some volume here, some volatility on these candles. Let's see that breakout, GameStop. Let me see 240. Come on. Give us 240, baby. Here comes. Let us see 240. AMC is bouncing off EMA. Strong bounce as we did earlier. We hit 1020, pulled back, and then we shut up. Can we see that again for the third time here? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think we'll see another strong bounce on AMC. I think it's well deserved that we'll pull back. Now it's GameStop's turn. Show us you're alive, baby. Show us 240. Ralph to the moon. All of us to the moon. Tesla and Ralph we trust. You guys are funny. Tesla's pulling back probably. Yep, 639. It could possibly pull back to 635. We were so close to breaking even, but we are not selling. Yeah, finally not seeing some red on this. I mean, we're still down, but NQ is still ripping. Hey, GameStop is right there. Breakout, baby. Breakout. Yes. Let's go. We hit 240. Yep. AMC is still hanging in there, guys. It looks like it wants another bounce. It's indecisive. If it wants another bounce, it is going to push up right now to 1040. Let's see it. There comes GameStop. With this push here on GameStop, I probably won't be surprised if there's another bounce here at 1040, 1040 on AMC, 240. I'm getting the 40s confused here on GameStop. You need to have a serious talk with Starbucks. They will never listen to us. Run, Forrest, run. Test the lower highs, yes. Let's see the 5-minute. Such a beautiful Phineas pattern going on right now. Look at this pattern here on AMC. The bounce is looking pretty strong. I'm not going to lie. Nope. It looks like a failed bounce here at 230, 1038. Again, well deserved of a pullback. So listen and you will receive. Ask and you shall receive. So now we wait. Let's see. I'm kind of surprised GameStop has not blown past 240. I could just envision this big, massive green candle to 244. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Where's that big green candle to 244? Let's manifest that. Ah, it's not giving it to us, guys. So we have that resistance at 236. If it pulls back, it must hold above 236 before we see a push in the next couple of minutes. If not, if we do pull back, we still got time. It's lunchtime. It's going to pull back to like 230s, possibly maybe even lower to like 228. But again, long-term picture, we're still moving up, guys. We're still moving up. Yeah, let me see that thick green candle. I don't know. I don't know. It's not giving it to us, guys. It's not bouncing strong enough. AMC pulling back. Where's my 5 minute on AMC? 1040. So we have some room to fall to like 1004. I mean 1040, 1004. So let's see, let's see. Maybe even $10, the whole number. You know it would be so weird if I change all my candles to green. So stonks never pull back. Let's see, that'll be funny. Order, let me do that. Look at this. What? Stonks only go up, baby. Look at those green crayons. Come on. That's the good luck right here. Show me that massive push to 244. Come on. That'd be so weird to trade like that. You get no emotions like that. We should do a trading day like that where we just have green candles and then the next day it's just red candles. Tesla 650 soon. It's pulling back now. Well, there's a pullback. Patience, my friends, patience. Yeah, green crayons everywhere. I'm gonna do that one day. Just like a little challenge. See how that affects you. It just looks so weird, just seeing green everywhere. Red no longer exists. Yeah, I'm a put it back to green, screenshot it. That'll be a funny tweet. Oh, the red candle. Alrighty. Here comes GameStop. It's getting volatile again. 241. Show me that green candle, baby. We manifested it. I seen it in my head, in my smooth brain. I seen it in my head before I saw it in person. Come on. Yes! Yes! I have no words. I have no words. It would be funny if Kramer came out of nowhere and that's so weird. We're just talking about Kramer in the phone ring. Oh my gosh. I was on the moon, guys. I was on the moon for a second. You just flew up and out. That's so hilarious. All right, there's that pullback, guys. The next level of resistance is going to be 250. Yeah, Kramer's listening. The phone rang exactly when we were talking about Kramer. 240 is the next support. I'd say it's still 238. Yes, I'm alive. This is the way. Can we just get... I love that saying, this is the way. Can we just get that in the chat? This is the way. I love that saying. I love that saying so much. Especially when you go on Reddit and it's like every reply is like, this is the way, this is the way. Can you imagine if it doesn't stop at 270? It just ran past it? Yeah, I think it can. That's the thing. That's the thing when GameStop was like 170. I remember saying if GameStop breaks 170, 180, it's game over. It's easily gonna keep on running. It's gonna go parabolic. And look, we're at 240. And this is the way. You guys are insane. All right, let's see, let's see. We got more to go, but we're slowly stair-stepping up, guys. Slowly but surely. We're getting there. Alrighty. AMC what? AMC saw what? 1037, so it's still holding that higher low, guys. Man, what a day. Damn, we're up 4,000, 4.3K, but we haven't locked in any profits. Zero, my friend. These diamond hands, they're not broken. That needs to become a thing. Stongfest. All right, pulling back. I don't think we'll hold 240s, guys. I'm being quite honest. At this time of day, I don't think so. We might hold again 236, but that push to 245, it gives us all a signal. It has legs, guys. The stock is still alive. We still have that uptrend headed into the best hour of the trading day, in my opinion. Power hour, which I think today is coming in full effect. So we're patiently waiting, patiently waiting. At these levels, at this time of day, it's a huge dub. No bench fry. No bench fry. You know what I'm talking about. Banana nuts, Echo Apes. NQ is still ripping. Yes. The market forgot stocks only go up. Take a look at NQ. How's Tesla? Oh my gosh, Tesla looks primed to break out again. The sound alert just in case. Apes, come save me. Come save me. When's power hour? Power hour is the last hour of the trading day. It's 12 to 1 here in the Pacific, 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, earnings are on the 25th, I believe. I don't think they're on the 24th. You might have gotten one day off, but 25th is the earnings. The CFO retires and leaves. Goodbye on the 26th, one day after. Stongfest is the way. Is that a thing? Stongfest? If not, I'm gonna make it. Stongfest. Stongfest. That's the thing on Reddit. This is also one of my favorites. Call the ambulance, but not for me. All right, there's that pullback once again, 238. Like I said, don't be surprised. It's such a great level at 1030 at 238. But AMC guys, higher lows. It's testing the 1034s. There might be another breakout. I don't know how this pullback is going to affect AMC, but from the looks of it, the strength we've had, there might be another push. Let's remain positive. Oh, we have the FINRA short interest reports coming out today, guys. Let's see how if they're telling the truth, if they're lying. I don't believe the numbers, but let's see. There it is. That's what I'm talking about on AMC right here. It's looking promising for another breakout. I wouldn't be surprised. I would not be surprised, guys. I would not be surprised. Let's pull up NQ. How's NASDAQ? Pulling back after this high. It still continues ticking on forward. Stonks only go up. Just joined. Welcome. Can you give us the update on AMC? Higher lows. Massive strength today compared to other days when we're pretty much flat. Other days on AMC, we saw 1045. We're back in that trading range coming off this descending triangle here around the $9. We have earnings tomorrow, a huge catalyst. What I'm afraid on earnings, guys, is that it pulls back on earnings. But the higher we go, the more cushion we have for a pullback. Hopefully, maybe even holding $10. We'll see. But it's holding these high levels at 1030. It's bouncing off EMA. It had a beautiful Phineas pattern, ascending triangle. It's such a beautiful chart. And with the overall market ripping, this just helps AMC and GameStop. There it is. Let me see one more push. Here comes GameStop above EMA. AMC's right there, 1036 again. Tesla is slowly creeping. You apes are coming back for me. You guys have not forgot about me. 645, AMC 1037. These patterns do not lie. I love technicals. $10.38. AMC is just so strong right now. Guys, we are blessed right now. We're getting blessed. Yeah, Luis. Tesla is coming up slowly but surely. Tesla is creeping. Today's just such a blessed day. We're so grateful. Damn. After days of just getting hammered down, these diamond hands were tested. They were not broken. AMC at 1040, guys. AMC at 1040. I should have bought Tesla yesterday. Yeah, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I could have doubled down too. We all should have like bought, you know? Easy to say in hindsight. But when Tesla literally closed at a low after hours, what was it at? After hours, it had like a crazy low. 554. It's so hard to buy. That's why people panic and sell when the market is literally dipping. More than dipping. Selling off aggressively. Nasdaq had a crazy dip. There's no R in Tesla. There is now. Tesla. Elon feed me daddy. And Elon we trust. 1039 again, 1040 for AMC. Guys, we're going for 1050. AMC at this time of day is very strong. 1043, we're going for 1050. Come on. 1045, we're at the high day, guys. Yes. I believe in you. There might be a massive wall there too, guys. 1047. And GameStop is curling up again. 1048. Come on. 1049. There it is. The same action going on GameStop. We're 1 penny away from 1050. We hit 1050. We hit 1050. I'm not falling under the chair. I'm not going to the moon this time. Here with you guys. There's a massive wall, guys. Look at the ask here at 1050. Watch. When it flares at 1050 on the ask, take a look at the right side. Holy smokes. Huge sales on the ask for AMC. Luis, I agree. Yep. Same thing we had at 10. We hit 1050. Big W's. Big W's for AMC at 1050. I can't believe it. Look at that beautiful pattern on the daily. You love to see it. Finto short interest update on GameStop. You got it. Let me refresh really quick. There's an update. Last update for short shares available at 700K. Coming off from an hour ago at 750K. It went down 50K. The fee is still at 2.65. We're back at 1050, guys. Yes, it broke. Big W's in the chat. Let's go. We're winning. We're winning. 1058. We're moving. We are moving. The next level of resistance, guys, we can see is $11. Easily $11. Who keeps saying AMC is a dead horse? 1065. This is literally going to probably go parabolic right now. Let's see. Let me see $11. GameStop, it's your turn, buddy. Let me see 1050. GameStop show us 1050. Show me 300 bucks and I'll eat a whole onion. AMC, it still has more room to run. What is it doing? Show me 1070. Why are you struggling here? There should be no wall. It's 1065. Absolutely no wall. Here comes GameStop slowly creeping. Who is selling? Stop selling. GameStop is coming. How's futures looking? So close to new high. Here comes GameStop. Come on. Pulling back. AMC. All right, I'll take it. I'll take a pullback. 1065. GameStop, it's your turn, buddy. You're up next. Show us 1046. People taking profits off AMC. Yeah, I would agree. Futures are still ripping. That stimmy pump, baby. Now imagine Elon actually like he's like, here, take a SpaceX suit. That'd be so crazy. That'd be so insane. How's Apple doing? Tesla so close to coming back, guys. The apes have not forgot about me on Tesla. GameStop, come on. It's a great day so far. Absolutely. Super grateful, guys. Can we hit 600 likes on the stream, guys? 600 likes. Yeah, this is happening during one of the worst hours of the trading day, lunch hour. This is happening right now in front of us. Can you guys believe that? That's how strong we are right now. GameStop, it looks like it wants to break past 246 right now. It looks like it just wants to new high. Let's see it. Let's see it, baby. Come on. AMC testing EMA. So far, what we've seen on AMC is as we pull back, we've bounced off EMA pretty aggressively. If we do pull back, it's rebounded right after. So let's see if it holds 1050. GameStop is right there. Wants a new high. You have legs, GameStop. Your next level is 250 for GameStop. Yes. Yes. Show me the money. Oh my God. Oh, we broke 600 likes. You guys are strong. You guys are crazy. There's that pullback, guys. At this time of day, I'm surprised we're hitting new highs, literally. I'm really surprised. 72 million on AMC volume. You love to see it, man. What is Melvin Capital thinking? They're just squeezing their cheeks. That's what I think. Every dollar, every new high on AMC and GameStop, they're just clenching their cheeks. Let's see Twitter. What do we got? More COVID vaccine news. Let's see. Short interest update. I got you guys. Let me see AMC. No update for AMC on the short shares available on FinTel. Last hour, it was at 350K with the fee of 10.47. S3 tweeted yesterday that new shorts are coming in at 20% fee. Can you believe that? NASDAQ extension surged to 4% for best rally since November. I love to see that. Up 3.87. Tesla seen some rejection, eh? Right around 646. Alrighty, I'll take it. I'll take this push. I have a feeling it might pull back into power hour. But let's see. GameStop is pulling back. AMC is still trying to bounce off the EMA. Still very strong. That roaring kitty tweet was so funny. I want to play it one more time. One more time. It was funny. This was probably one of the best ones he's put so far.
Or for the environment. Or for animals.
They just couldn't believe that somebody would do all that running for no particular reason.
Why are you doing this?
I just
Like the stock.
That's so legendary. So legendary, man. Guys, he doubled down. I think he bought like 50,000 more shares of GameStop when it was at 47. He was up yesterday. You know how he always posts his screenshots on Reddit? He was up like 8 million. He deserves all his success. I'm really happy for him. The true short interest would be from 250 to 967%. Guys, we have the FINRA short interest report coming out later. It's probably going to show some ridiculous number like 30% on GameStop, which is, I don't believe it. It's showing 16% on AMC. Do I believe that? Absolutely not. Tesla trying to get back in there. Yeah, Tesla's slowly creeping to the highs here. Look at this. Guys, we're about to break even on Tesla. For some reason, there's a glitch on Think or Swim. It's a glitch on the downside and on the upside. Last time it says we were up like a couple $100, in which reality we weren't up at all. But it's still on my broker, it showed that I made the money. But in reality, I didn't make anything. So there's like a little glitch on Think or Swim. That's so weird. Yeah, check Tesla. Yep, 646. It's so close, guys. You guys did not forget about me. Yeah, Roaring Kitty's a legend, man. Insane. We're going to the moon, absolutely. Someone's calling me. Nope. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, something just happened on my phone. I think we're gonna call it here, actually, guys. We might call it here. You guys can still hear me, right? Um, Something just went happened on my phone. No camera right now, but you guys can still hear me. Oh, we're gonna end it here, guys. We'll be back Power Hour, of course. If you guys found this video helpful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, guys. A subscribe so you guys don't miss any of the content. We are going to be coming back live during Power Hour. Thank you guys once again for 11,000 subscribers. I am truly grateful for every single one of you guys. Maddie, thank you so much for the donation. I truly appreciate you. Gotta thank you for Maddie in the chat. AMC still pushing up. I'm not keeping my eye for that bad boy. It's at 10:59. So I'll leave you guys with that. I'll be back Power Hour. I'll put it in the Discord right now. We're giving away the gift card during Power Hour. So yes, I'm gonna put in the Discord for the Power Hour to enter. Since a lot of you guys don't have Twitter, just comment on yesterday's video. Comment and like, and that's it. You guys are entered automatically, and we'll do the raffle on later on. If you click on the support button, yeah, they need to fix my profit. Oh, GameStop is dropping to 238. Like I said, don't be surprised. Usually during this time of day, we have aggressive pullbacks. But on the other hand, AMC's at 1063 again. It's bouncing off strong. So yeah, well deserved. Love, peace, and hair grease, like William always says. Signature sign off. So I'll see you guys later on during Power Hour. Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning on in. I will see you guys later for the Onion Hour at $300. Peace out, guys. I appreciate you, Alex. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.